the procedure, right? Now, Baba Mohbad has chosen 2 hospitals, St. Nicholas and UCH Ibadan, which Baba Mohbad is ready to, to go on.
Mutually agree.
No problem. Okay. UCH and St. Nicholas, Baba Mohbad chose this 2. So, Wunmi now, who is more ready, like you guys claim, why is Wunmi not agreeing to these 2 hospitals?
Hold on, let me now jump in there, Papariano.
The reason why Baba Mohbad said that, Wunmi, if you want to do that one that you bring in Lagoon, you will have to pay for it. Baba is expecting Wunmi to agree with these 2.
Hold on.
Okay. Baba is thinking that Wunmi want to have another 3rd hospital after these 2 is already suggested by him. You misunderstand Baba Mohbad because you don't have the Spirit of God.
Papariano,
Baba Mohbad was absolutely wrong in that particular aspect.
Let me jump in. Papariano, I think you should have this information so that it won't be me just reading it out.
Exactly.
So the next line of communication between them, the lawyers now, the Baba Mohbad lawyers, they now wrote to Omowummi's lawyer that our client has agreed to your selection of a 3rd independent DNA test. However, we object to the proposed Lagoon Hospital in Ikeja. Your client,
who wrote that? Baba Mohbad, that's Baba Mohbad, right?
Yeah, this is Baba Mohbad lawyer talking that you have chosen. Due to the surrounding controversies with the DNA test of Liam Aloba attributed to the hospital on social media and doubt its integrity. So they are doubting the integrity of Lagoon Hospital.
Because of the controversy, not because of money.
Yeah.
Because they made it clear.
Hold on.
They made it clear because of controversy.
Yeah, they now say you will agree with us that the effectiveness of this test is of utmost transparency, which is fine. Now say consequent on the above, we kindly suggest your client propose a different and neutral hospital as a 3rd option for the DNA test, along the earlier proposed hospitals, that is St. Nicholas and UCH. So that letter, that one ends there. I will now read you the response of Omowummi's lawyer to that letter. Okay. Hold on, I'm bringing it out. This one was on the 5th of December.
Yeah,
so the next one is on the 11th of December.
Come here now, Papariano, share this live to them now.
Yama, you are part of
it. Baba fans, kò ní dá fún yín o. Tó bá yá ma ní kí mo hate baba yín.
Àbàtì mo máa bẹ́ẹ̀ jà o. Àbàtì mo máa bẹ́ẹ̀ jà o.
I go step on a Baba Mohbad mo ń bọ̀ máa ṣe show fún tí ma di parí ilé mi. Ọ̀nà Baba fans, kò ní dá fún yín o.
Papariano, can you please help me address Abati and who is calling me Baba's lawyer, Baba's team?
Disturb, not worry.
Hold on. Okay, let me read.
We are trying to work here.
Let me read the next response to you now, which was dated 11th of December. So, we are in receipt of your letter dated 5th of December 2024, but received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, and will respond accordingly as follows. It will be recalled that the Honorable Magistrate mentioned it to the hearing of the parties at the last proceeding in this matter, and in fact, the court objected at the instance of your client mentioning a prepaid DNA bill somewhere else. That being the case, we have every good and substantial reason to infer that such payment must have been made to the doctor from UCH Ibadan, to which the court observed will be seen like walking to an answer and may raise doubt in the mind of the public. As a result of this, we object to your choice of UCH, especially that it will go against what the court advised. Further to that, for the purpose of progressing, we concede to your objection of Lagoon Hospital for reasons which you have raised, and more so that we have nothing to hide. In replacement, however, we are proposing two hospitals, the Eco Hospital and Reddington Hospital, both in Lagos, Nigeria. Please know that your client will have to bear the cost and kindly do well to communicate your readiness and time for us to present the subject child in order to move forward.
Good. Can I respond to this letter?
No, hold on. Has Baba team responded to that?
Yes, hold on. You will let me read that to you. This one was dated 9th. So Baba's response. Okay, yes, I have the response here.
Okay.
So they are now saying we remain solicitor.
Date, please. Date.
The date of this is 9th. 9th of January.
About 9 days ago.
2025.
Yes.
But they were no longer solicitor now. They were no longer there now. But
no. This one is still Miss lawyer. This one is still Omowummi's lawyer because from that point,
response from Mohbad lawyer to the previous.
No, from that point they refused to respond.
That's what we're asking now.
So there's no response.
So there's no response.
The last correspondence.
So there's now another letter sent to them.
No, that one is not about the case. It's not about the case. They're not responding to the case.
No, it's still about the case. It's still
okay, go on.
Listen to that one. Listen to that one first.
Stop moving. Just wait. That person. Go on, Pythagoras.
We remain the solicitor.
Chairman, wait. Go on, Pythagoras.
We remain the solicitor of the respondents in this reference suit. It will be recalled that we have exchanged series of letters on the above, but we seem not to be making any progress, and it is sad. Suffice to say that after we have duly responded to your letter dated 5th of December 2024, which received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, we have patiently waited for your response, but nothing of sort till date. Although we objected to your choice of UCH Ibadan because of the fact that the court itself observed for good reasons that it is not proper after your client mentioned same in open. In the same vein, we have conceded all the same to your objection of us using Lagoon Hospital, even though no tenable reasons were given. Quite reasonably, in replacement, we chose 2 other hospitals, which are the Echo Hospital and Reddington Hospital, just so for us to show that we absolutely have nothing to.
Who is it? Is it Baba Mohbad or Akingbolu?
This is Wumi's lawyer writing to Baba Mohbad.
I want the response now. Go to the response.
This lawyer has written back to back.
Your lawyer is reading back to back. Go to the response of Baba Mohbad to the previous one that you read in December.
They are yet to respond. That's
what I'm talking about. Then forget it. Then let's proceed.
But this lawyer has now written on that again that we are waiting.
He has written a reminder.
Thank you very much.
A reminder that
leave that matter now.
Leave that one. We are talking about response from Baba.
Baba has not responded to the one dated 9th of December, right?
No, 24
he has
December.
not responded up to date, and that has what has
dated 24 December and then remanded 9th of September, 9th of January.
9th of January.
Yeah, 9th of
Baba has not responded because there's no legal team in place. Relax.
No, there was no legal team in place in 9th of December.
No, a letter was
there was
written.
There was not.
There was no legal team in 24th of December.
No, not 24th. 9th of December, not 24th. 9th of December.
There's no legal team in place.
Since November now.
Okay. Now let me remind you that whether there was a legal team or not, Baba Mohbad is as equally tied to this. Even if he has nobody representing him, whatever agreement has been made in court was made with Baba Mohbad and his legal team, and is responsible, is liable.
You need legal advices to proceed, right?
That is his own prerogative.
There was no timeline from
but you need legal advice. So let's wait for his legal advice.
Don't rush this matter.
As simple as ABC.
Don't let
if you don't have something to hide, you're not going to be,
Exactly.
He's the one delaying.
Omowummi to stall this matter, running from February last year to collect
Baba is the one delaying. Papariano is
hold on, Abati. Hold
The
on.
writ of someone was posted.
The written of someone, she was also running for months.
She was running
So
for
running. Where did she run to? Fiamma. Where did she
Yeah.
run to? Where did she run to? Where did she run to?
She was no longer in location.
there has been issues. Let us forget it. So Baba has issues, and he has made it clear that he has issues with the legal team. He has legal with the legal. Let's give him that money. It's not yet 2 months. It's not yet 1 month.
Gbọ́mọ yẹn wá, wọ́n wá kí ọmọ yẹn for some days. Kí o pè lọ sí tó mu lọ sí kí lorúkọ ẹ̀. Tó tó lọ sí DNA. Bro,
Let's give him time. Let's give him time. He will respond and it will be done.
We heard that from that statement yesterday, but that's not.
This number one.
Yeah, please, let Pythagoras finish. Yeah, please, let Pythagoras finish. He's reading something. Let him finish.
No, just read the reminder.
Obviously, they didn't want to hear that. Obviously, they didn't want to hear
Oh yeah,
that.
read it. No, Pythagoras, go on. Finish it.
Papariano, you are not being fair. Let
Finish
him
it,
read
Pythagoras,
everything.
finish it. Go on. Finish it.
Okay, I don't know where I stopped, but
Start from the beginning.
You can start again now, no problem. You can start again.
Why would you run for waiting? Now we get picking. Look on.
we remain
That's the point.
solicitors to the respondents. It will be recalled that we have exchanged series of letters on the above, but we seem not to be making any progress, and it is sad. Suffice to say that after we have duly responded to your letter dated 5th of December 2024, which we received and acknowledged on 9th of December 2024, we have patiently waited for your response, but nothing of sort till date. Although we objected to your choice of UCH,
Moderators, I am here. Don't bring anybody up. Don't bring anybody down. Don't mute anybody. You mute anybody, I'm going to take your moderator off you. Okay, this is the last time. I'm here. I'm coordinating. Do not bring anybody up. Do not mute anybody. Go on, sir.
okay. Although we objected to your choice of UCH Ibadan because of the fact that court itself observed for good reason that it is not proper for your client to mention same in the open court. In the same vein, we have considered all the same to your objection of us using Lagoon hospitals, even though no tenable reasons were given. Quite reasonably, in replacement, we chose 2 other hospitals, which are the Echo Hospital and Reddington Hospitals, just so for us to show that we absolutely have nothing to hide. And this was contained in our letter dated 11th of December 2024. To our utter surprise, however, instead of you responding to our letter of the above quoted date, we saw Mr. Taiwo Dumosu of Council, who we have profound respect for, and counsel to the applicant, saying on social media that we are the ones who are not ready for the DNA, whereas that is not the case. And we are by this letter denouncing any such misrepresentation Mr. Taiwo Dumosu of Council must have tainted us with on social media. As a matter of fact, we deserve apology for the unhealthy allegations. Also, and most unfortunate is the fact that we saw the applicant, that is Joseph Aloba, on social media about 3 weeks ago, defaming and maligning Master Liam, and quite in his usual manner, portraying him as a bastard. And this is very unacceptable, especially as the court had asked him to go conduct the DNA that is now obviously and quite surprisingly running away from in an irreconcilable irony. Very laughable. We want to ask you to promptly take steps or advise your client to do so, to do all that may be necessary to ensure the timely conduct of the DNA so that we can make progress. If your client, however, choose to continue in this tardy manner and rather prefer the empty social media hype for the bad reasons, you will leave us no other option than to conduct the DNA ourselves and publish same for the whole world to see. We shall inform the court of our position in this regard. We anticipate your cooperation and positive response and do accept our assurances of our best regards. Many thanks.
Yeah, can you also read the response? Can you read the response?
Okay.
Because they responded to this.
Okay.
Yes, they did. They did, actually. So, hold on.
I read the response that they didn't defend Wunmi and others uncle.
So, the subject matter, the response now came on 11th of January. Your letter dated 9th of January 2025 with the above caption has been shown to our Mr. Taiwo Odumosu, and upon his instruction, we respond as follows. Mr. Odumosu wishes to inform you that there was no time during his social media interaction that he mentioned your client was not ready for the deal. Your client expressed sentiment in the respect that after the media interaction. Mr. Odumosu has absolute respect for your office and your client. He would not in any way derogate the professionalism and maturity both law firms have exhibited so far while the case lasted. This response is necessary as a courtesy to your good self and to set the record straight, as our chambers no longer represent the applicant. We wish you the very best.
Yeah, I read that. I think that was their last letter.
What date? Sorry, what
They
date?
made it clear. 11 January. 11 January.
Oh, okay. So Batagoras, you see that there is a problem with the legal team.
It's a technical issue with the legal team.
So
But
please,
again,
the
if Wunmi was really ready, if Wunmi was ready, right, Chairman, if Wunmi was ready, at the time Omowummi brought UCH,
Exactly.
Wunmi would have gone with it. She causes delay too. They are all causing delay for
Let's
them.
leave at this point.
But Papariano,
let's call slack.
Papariano, as of last week, Baba came out and he has confirmed the fact that he is the person delaying the process.
Yes, he has said it.
No, this is a technical issue. It's not because it's not willing. It's not because it doesn't want.
Exactly. There's nothing he can do at this point without the law.
But for now, wait now, Chairman, for now we know there are two parties involved, okay? One of the parties is the one delaying the process, and that is Baba Mohbad.
That's not delay. That's not
established.
Delay.
That is delay.
No, that is a technical issue. It's not delay.
And he is delay. And wait now, that is delay. And
You agree that in issues like this or in any other matter, you cannot rule out force majeure or eventualities. You can't
No, tell me, what's the first measure here? What are you talking about, Yama?
Do you understand? So what force majeure? I'm not, whatever you didn't plan for and are plan on foreseen circumstances that happen in the line of duty. Okay, you can't rule that out. That's why there are provisions for buffers to take care of this lacuna.
You're just making this.
I am not making
Baba have more than two chambers. Baba have
those chambers are not responsible.
DNA
Baba have
is one chamber.
So
DNA
They need to be briefed. Those chambers
there
must be
is
briefed.
nothing at the particular state that we are now. There is nothing that a lawyer would do. It's doctors and hospitals.
What do you mean? They have to be briefed.
Okay, talk. Do you have a problem in giving another 30 days to Aloba to sort himself? Do you have a problem with that?
30 days.
Yes.
So that Aloba will continue defaming.
You don't need to ask them. Where were they when Wunmi was evading writ of someone? When Mohbad was facing writ of someone?
There was no point. No. That was one of their mechanism of trying to portray her as in a bad light.
Stop moving.
She never evaded and she never said she will not honor any lawsuits.
This brings me to one of the paragraphs in the point of law that was just the preliminary objection. You remember we filed a preliminary objection during the month of June. Okay, in the point of law that what legal right does Mohbad have to bring such case to court? You remember?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what was the response of the other team of Mohbad? What was the response to that? I didn't ask you. Patagoras, what was their response to that?
They never made any response to that because they now know that there's a major issue and argument before them. That was when they now had to go back to the discussion table and settle for alternate dispute resolution.
I don't think that lawyer did well there. I think in the side of women, it's very easy. If the judge
They just want problems.
Getting whatever
Papariano, talk me this.
The agreement says it must be in Nigeria. It must be in Nigeria. One in
Papariano.
Lagos, one in Abuja. Council the UCH wants to be bringing problem. Delete the UCH out of the equation.
Jama, please hold on. Papariano, I will need to leave now. But before I go, let me give my closing remark here. See, an agreement has been
And you can ask me any question. I don't know whether there's any question you want us, because me, I've asked my questions and I've seen that Wunmi is lacking there because she had every right after the preliminary objection was filed. If no particular legal ground was brought before the court, she has every right to proceed with the judgment of the court. Why go into negotiation? Right now she's into a bottleneck. I don't care about whatever she says.
Hold on, actually, Papariano, there's no bottleneck here.
Can I ask him a question real quick?
Hold on, Adedoyin. Once I make this remark, I can take one or two questions.
Thank you. One question. Yeah.
Yes, so there's been an agreement. It's time of settlement, and other agreements agreed to in the open court, which the lawyer have brought out now to tell us part of those agreements. One of those agreements is Joseph Aloba saying Omowummi should surrender her rights not to sue him in case this when this DNA result comes out and it turns positive, which would have given us.
We don't have evidence for those things. We don't have those evidence, please. It's one-sided.
No, hold on.
You are quoting from one side. Please, that is not advisable. I mean, you're misleading. You're giving misinformation.
Pushing you back now.
Let's work with what is reference.
Papariano,
Was that reference in the citizen? Was that reference in the citizen?
Papariano,
that was reference.
hold on. Just
No, please, that is biased. Let's wait for the both parties to respond.
What I'm telling you is this. Can
you show me what you're saying right now from the citizen? If you can't show, please don't mention it. Let's discuss the things that are within the scope of the citizen that we can show as evidence.
You have the right to still believe whatever you want to believe, but I have come here.
Not about I have the right. I mean, let's work with facts here.
What I've come here to let you and your team know is that
Baba can deny that. If Baba denies that, how do you penalize him? Evidence must be shown to him to remind him.
Joseph Aloba has been running away. Joseph Aloba has been running away.
No, now you are just trying to follow it. I won't let you do that.
Baba has
that's your closing remarks.
Somebody came to the public and said, this is the reason why I haven't done XYZ. He made a statement that this is the lacuna that I have. This is the problem that I have right now that I'm going to fix. So is there anything wrong for us to just...
What does that tell you, Chairman? What does that tell you? It tells you that that particular party is the person that is delaying the process.
What are you not understanding?
He's not saying it's not now. Did he deny that? He's not denying that now.
Let's go on and blame.
Let's come on that, because that is where we are now. Let's come on that. Why are you delaying the process?
Where we are? Why did you UCH?
We are at the point where Baba is the one delaying the DNA process. We are the man that is doing everything.
The delay is as a result of a technical issue.
What do you mean by technical issue?
Did the citizen mention one?
You understand?
What is the technical issue there?
So let's
for over 3 months,
the head of the Aloba family.
Technical issue.
Baba is the head of the Aloba family. We must respect that. We must respect that.
He has problem with his legal representative. Okay?
For over 3 months, and you've been hammering the legal representation. You've been saying that you need DNA.
Baba is the head of the Aloba extended family. Some respect must be shown here.
Answer, relax.
Why for me like this? You guys should advise this lady. Come on. I think let's to have me as a child.
Are you proud the way he's leading his own family? What do you attribute him
Can I see your own family? Can I see your own family? Your own family compared to family.
What element of merit will you attribute to him?
Tell me your own family. Let me compare it to Bamba family.
No. You are saying Baba is the leader of the family. What is the element of? What element will you say, okay, this is the merit of
there can be problems in every family. There can be problems.
I need to ask you a question. I want to answer
family.
No. I bet when you're talking about leader of a family, Papa Mohbad is cannot even be attributed as one. Not a leader.
I'm just going to the kitchen. I'm going to go back to the kitchen.
Just one question. The question is this. When Baba Aloba had a problem with his lawyers, he came out and said, I have this problem. So
Baba did not have problem with his lawyer. The public.
Hold on now, listen first. Hold on, let me say. I want you to respond.
So put it straight.
He has problem with his lawyers.
Let the man finish.
No, the
Let the man finish. Top movie.
Baba Aloba came to the public in a publication and said, I have a problem with my lawyers. I'm in the verge of changing from one lawyer to the other. Just give me time and I'll get this thing done.
3 months already gone down the line.
Now, did your client...
Are you being serious right now? 3 good months have gone down the line and you're saying they should give you more time.
Did your clients also came to the public and say, I am here, come and serve me with the summon. I am in so place.
There is a limit. Wait, what you should understand, there's a limit everybody can take. It has gotten to the limit and that's why she's coming out to say, this is the reason. Baba himself did not even come out.
You are not getting the point. Did Wumi say that when Mama was looking for Wumi with writ of someone? Did Wumi say, I am here, bring it to me here?
Do you want to tell me that Papa doesn't know
Papariano,
who is engaging,
guys,
who is representing
can I just
as
chip
of that time?
the top movie? I beg.
When Papa Mohbad, what he normally do is just pick up something and will come to the social media space and manipulate people that are audience to him. That's what he does.
Top movie.
I can assure you before the end of February. Before the end of February, the DNA will be done.
They like to talk too much. Chairman, I beg, come.
Because you are with Papa Mohbad.
Top movie. You know how to be quiet for a minute. Thank you. Now, this is the situation on the DNA. Both parties are not serious.
African TV, you are not a party case.
Can you just wait?
What do you mean by
Can you wait? Why your mouth always they run? Just wait. Bloody. Now, what I'm saying is both parties are not serious. Because if they were serious, DNA is a collection of sample. As the Aloba team said, we are coming to collect sample. We are taking sample to our own center. Let Wunmi take our own sample to our own center, and they both give the result to the court. Because all this, we cannot go here, I cannot go here. It's nothing but another delay tactics and a rigmarole of the judicial system. DNA is a matter of sample. The baby does not have to be at any particular clinic. The mother and the father-in-law, they don't have to be anywhere. You just need to have access to collect the sample so you know that the sample belongs to the baby, and you submit the party to your center, the sample to your center. Your center gives you your result, you now tender it to the court. And if the other party challenge it, that is the next ball game. Now, that is my own way forward, that they should stop this game of time and location.
African TV, that was not the agreement. That was not in the agreement. The court is going to supervise the process. They only have to agree to whatever center mutually.
And that's what I'm saying, Papariano. The court needs to say, we're coming to baby Liam tomorrow, 10 a.m. Where do you want us to come? Aloba, come and collect your sample. So you know that the sample you have is baby Liam. Send it to your center. Wunmi, collect your sample. Send it to your center.
It's not going to work like that.
It won't work like that, African TV. That's the
I know it's listen, guys.
No, African TV. African TV.
Hold on,
the agreement.
Wait, let him try to. He's trying to break things down. Go on, let's hear you.
Look, you're saying it will not work because we have excitant parties. I send DNAs every day abroad. I don't even know where they come from. It's a swab. You collect the swab, you send it to the center. And when I bring my result, if you disagree with my result, we now hash it out with your own result. But all this one say they're not fit go here tomorrow. I don't want Lagos. I want Ibadan. All this now, Sakama J. But brothers and sisters,
African TV.
Yes. No, hold on. Before you have wait, Chairman. I just want to make an announcement. Please, 30 seconds. We have published tributes to Bamishe for February 26, 27, 28, and March 1st for the finale. For those who want to support the Bamishe family, there's a GoFundMe. You can go to GoFundMe and you see tribute to Bamishe. You can support the family. And by the way, Bamishe's mother is celebrating her 70th birthday today. So those who have contacts, you can say hello to the old lady for holding strong and seeing another year. So that's the announcement.
The thing is this.
Yes.
The court has promulgated the procedure to get this thing done. And I think two of them has agreed on the two locations that they want to use. Maybe one in Lagos, maybe another one in Ibadan, which I don't think anybody should have problem with. But the problem now is Aloba had the problem in between. So that is where the lacuna is. So what we should be saying now is, call on Mr. Aloba that Niwar and Shesha, be fast with your processes with your lawyers. Be fast with the exchange of notes from your lawyers. so that you don't stop for a longer time. We are calling on Yin that before the end of this month, January, he should do whatever he needs to do and get his lawyers sorted so that this thing can be done in the month of February. Wunmi's thing should be calm. We understand this situation. We call for calm at this point, that we should give him opportunity to sort his lawyers and get back to you for the DNA.
Baba, please, can I quickly say something now?
Thank you.
No, concerning what you just said now, I'm very sure if Baba gets his own home together and there is a lawyer to work with Baba, many people will still come up with, we don't want to go and do it in another hospital apart from that one in Lagos. You know, that is the problem of initially, they will have done this thing. But because they just want to have their way in around Lagos, where
I
they
think we
are.
moved.
I think that has been sorted.
We moved from
I
that.
think that has been sorted. That has been
Yes.
sorted.
The public, chairman, the public chairman, Justice, thank you for saying that. Justice, thank you for saying that. At this moment, I want to say to Mr. Aloba, the public will get you a lawyer as early as Monday if you are really serious. If your problem is you don't have lawyer.
Wahab Shitu is there now. Wahab Shitu is there. They're just trying to transfer. They're transferring the funds.
Now they are
This time, like one.
But it's just
Can I just say something? One salient point. Issue. That's a trust issue. So what African TV was saying that okay, somebody will come and collect the swap. Yeah, the sample has to be taken. Is women that's going to the hospital or whoever the clinic suggested with the son and with the court person or probably a social worker person to safeguard the little guy. Yeah, and so whatever sample that's going to be collected has to be in the presence of his mom. So all those collecting and posting wouldn't work at all.
Richie, it's the same thing. It's the same thing.
I said that's a trust issue. Yes, that's a trust issue.
No,
yes.
that's the point. That's the point. So to avoid the trust issue, to avoid this trust and all this rigmarole, let the court officials attend with Baba Mohbad at an appointed location. The baby is brought, they collect their sample, they go and do their own and send it to the court. It's so simple.
African TV, what you're suggesting, I'll repeat again, what you're suggesting, when the mother of the child is there, is present, right?
They will be there, of course.
One minute, African TV. Give me the clinic, let me take my child there, right? In the presence of whoever the legal of the official team, and I will be there myself when the sample is collected. So
okay, let me break it down for you. Richie, let me. A very small process, very simple process. Mama, bring your pikin to McDonald's. The court official show up at McDonald's. Baba show up at McDonald's. Take your swab, send it to your lab. Let me tell you the way you guys are making it sound, as if they are going to be in the lab and they are going to sit and observe the process of getting the DNA result. It is a sample collection process. It's like the same way you piss when you want to do a test and the doctor tells you, go and bring your urine test. You piss in a cup, they send it to the lab brings the result. So no matter all this rigmarole that they are giving us, the sample will have to be taken to a lab unless you're telling me that the court has mandated. No, hold on. Unless you're telling me that the court
can be manipulated alongside.
That's the point. Richie, this is exactly where I'm going.
That's a trust issue.
No, forget. Nobody really cares about their trust issue. What we care is about the judicial system moving forward. Now, they are not going to be in the lab.
African TV, let's take it this way. Let's say, for example, Wunmi agrees to UCH Ibadan, okay, and St. Nicholas. So that
You say what? Sorry.
Let's say, for example, Wunmi agrees to UCH Ibadan and also agrees to St. Nicholas, right? So that implies The noise in
That
the
implies
background.
what?
The noise in the background, please.
No, there is no noise. There's
Please mention, yeah. So let's because we are trying to break things down. So that I just want to try to see I want to see the things you're saying in a broader way. Let's say no, not brother and sister. I mean in a broader, bigger way. So let's say Wunmi agrees to the UCH in Ibadan, also agrees to the St. Nicholas of Lagos, which Mohbad has suggested. So are you saying that both Baba, both Wunmi, they will go to Ibadan, okay? And so both Baba, Wunmi, and the social worker appointed by the court will all go to Ibadan, and the samples will be taken in the presence of the mom. The whole family will witness it, and all of them. No, first of all, since they're in Lagos, they would have gone to the morgue because Baba requested to go to the morgue to get Mohbad sample. They would have gone to the morgue to get Mohbad sample. So then now, you are saying that both the mother, the baby, the whole family will also go to the UCH Ibadan, where the sample will be collected. Is that what you're saying? That they will go to the hospitals where the samples to be collected? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, for confidence level, I think that should be the
Richie, please, I'll try to understand.
Richie, let me explain to you guys.
No, explain to me.
Yeah, let me explain to you the way it's done, Papariano. Now, if they decide to go to UCH or Igbobi College or any hospital in the world they decide to go to, they are not going to be in the lab room watching or supervising the test unless the court that they stand there and that the hospital gives them access to witness the way it is done, which I believe is practically impossible anywhere in the world. So whether you go to UCH Ibadan or UCH Lagos or Igbobi College, what you're going to do is you're going to present your subject, baby Liam. They will take the swab that they need from baby Liam, physically Mama watching, Baba Mohbad watching. Then they will take it inside to the lab and wait for the result. That's how it's done. So all these are not they go, are not they come. They say if the mountain does not go to Mohammed,
See what the problem
Mohammed
is
will
right now. See what the problem is. Let's say, for example, now, let's say, for example, Baba chooses UCH and St. Nicholas, and DNA is done in UCH Ibadan. It now shows negative. What do you want me to do? And the one in Lagos shows positive.
Very good. That's what I expect everybody to worry about. At that point, we now know we have a clear case of fraud or misrepresentation. That is when the judge will now step in and say, you cannot have two different results from the same child. Then we go to the next case of who is fraudulent. Remember now, the labs have liability.
Don't overflog it. That's why we are saying I'm putting all the blame on Wunmi, not on Mohbad. Okay, if Wunmi has nothing to hide, why did Wunmi not agree? So the question where African TV, there's nothing about them. It affects me. You know, guys, I stream for longer hours, and this noise affects me when I sleep. That's why I always do because it affects my ear. You know, it's a reflex action to me. Now the thing is this. I understand your position, African TV, taking of the samples. There is no issues about taking of the samples. No, even if the social worker want to go meet with me at home, okay, to come there with the doctor, take it. They trust that social worker. We don't have problem with social worker. But the problem is this. Wumi's own argument is that the credibility of the UCH in Ibadan is not recommendable. So that's why Wunmi is not going. But for me, I flaw that. Wunmi is playing games. Yeah. Wunmi, as long as Wunmi trusted one, Baba suggested two. One St. Nicholas, one UCH. So Baba is the one who's going to pay. Right? Wunmi, you trust St. Nicholas, you don't trust UCH. Wunmi, let it go on. If you do in St. Nicholas, you do in UCH, and the result is different. Simple. You're gonna come out before the court. You guys have complained about the UCH before, and then now maybe the court will appoint a more neutral place Because now we need a neutral body. I think it's even a plus for women. Maybe then the court may even appoint another place in Lagos. You see, I see no reason why women should be complaining here. But what she's trying to do, she's just trying to have ultimate power. Where Baba will choose one. Baba has chosen one that favor her, which is St. Nicholas, right? So she want to be able to choose another one, which will be fair, which will be 1-1. You see? So, Baba Mohbad seems not to be agreeing with the one she has chosen. I think Baba Mohbad should totally take this case out of Lagos. Baba Mohbad, by paragraph 5A of that particular agreement, he gives Baba Mohbad the full rights to continue to say, I don't even want Lagos. Women will say, I want, because they have to agree in Lagos or agree elsewhere. Baba will focus on elsewhere, while women focus in Lagos. So if that is not pleased to any of them, then they will strike back the deal. Thank God Baba Mohbad has a new legal team. So the thing is that it's the court process, African TV, it's not the procedure. The procedure, nobody has problem with it. Whether to go take the sample, nobody has issue with that. But the problem here is the court procedure. Wumi is trying to go by the court procedure, which is fair to her. It's fair for Wumi to choose one reliable hospital and for Baba Mohbad to agree with her, and for Baba Mohbad to choose one, and for Wumi to agree with Baba Mohbad. Baba chose St. Nicholas. Baba suggested 2. Wumi to suggest 2, and let them do some elimination. Something like that. That's fair enough. You see? But they are playing games.
Papariano. There's no how.
Chairman, can I say something? Because I've been
there's no how you are going to do a DNA test at St. Nicholas, Lagos, and UCH Ibadan, and you are going to have 2 disparaged results. It's not possible.
Okay, can I say
something? It may be -1 or -2 level of stationarity.
Chairman, you're not thinking criminally. You're not thinking criminally. Nicholas
will not trade his integrity.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Do you know why in this case?
Okay, so don't say that, Chairman. Don't say that.
The governor is stalling.
The way all this thing is going, do you
Wumi has confidence in Lagos. Wumi has confidence in Lagos.
All right, can I say something?
Do you know who studied? Do you know who studied with the father of the baby? What if the father of the baby is the person working in St. Nicholas?
Okay. Can I say something? Okay, so now.
Chairman, answer me. What if Baba baby is the one working in St. Nicholas?
Okay, all right. Okay, so Papariano, when you are talking about St. Nicholas is a renowned hospital. First of all, let's get that. Hold on, please. Give me a second. Let's get that straight. When you are traveling out of the country, if you're going to London, if you're traveling or anything, like if you work in the government sector, you know that sometimes they use St. Nicholas, and St. Nicholas is very accurate, and I can tell you that. So now, I want to think in a different way. So my question is, why is there so much, let's say, argument about DNA being done on this child? There is so much argument. And at the end of the day, when we look at this, even if Mr. Loba goes to University Teaching Hospital, which is University of Ibadan, okay, Hale University Teaching Hospital, very great university, very, very wonderful hospital. So now, if Mr. Loba goes to UCH and the DNA is done, first of all, nobody will ever compromise that DNA. And I'm speaking on behalf of that school, will ever compromise that DNA because of the integrity, because UCH is known all around the world and they hold their integrity highly. And I want to tell you that. So now, if they go to St. Nicholas, I don't think they will compromise. But let's put this in check. St. Nicholas is a very, very expensive hospital. When it comes to DNA, can Mr. Loba afford that? Is that a trap? To make sure that it's not able to afford that DNA at St. Nicholas.
He can afford it.
Tell me what is it. Let's browse. Let me just check. Let me quickly check the price.
He can afford it.
Let me check the price. I want to check the price. Don't raise money. Don't raise
issue of money at all.
Okay, Chairman. Please, we are taking critically here. And critical thinking is very important when you're analyzing.
There is money on ground.
So now, okay, hold on, please. I'm saying that I'm not saying it is an issue. Could this be an issue? Number one. Then number two,
if this is an issue, at the end of the day, if Mr. Loba goes to UCH and this DNA is done, and this lady, the deceased wife, also have a DNA done at Laguna Hospital, and if it's not the same thing, this is going to be a long battle, a long DNA battle. At the end of the day, this lady will tell Babaloba, you have compromised. Babaloba will tell this lady, you have compromised. And they're still going to come back to a point zero where they started from. I think the best thing...
Adedoyin, please. The problem here now is that they both agree of...
Adedoyin, you want to hear? Cost of DNA is 300 to 600,000 naira. Okay. That is between $200. $200. Is that what Baba cannot afford?
Okay, good. It's good you made that clear.
So Baba cannot afford $200 for DNA. Wait, I want to ask.
So that's why I said, don't
Nicholas in Nigeria.
Money.
It's made for which citizen? It's made for which citizen? St. Nicholas in Nigeria is not bid for Nigerians.
There's no amount of money that says Nicholas charge that Baba will not be able to pay.
Let's even say $1,000. He won't afford it.
So Papariano, you are saying that we're speaking good stories. Based on what they've read now. So they are not complaining about money. They are not complaining about
good. Okay, so Papariano, it was a good thing you made that clear. Thank you so much, and I appreciate that. So at the end of the day, like what I was saying initially before I was interrupted, is that if Mr. Loba goes ahead and his DNA is done, and this lady goes ahead and her DNA is done, at the end of the day, if it does not correspond, they are still coming back to the same battle. So I just feel that why there's a lot of problem with this DNA is just that they really want that baby to be from Mohbad. And if you sit down, you think about it, because there's a lot. So because I know that we've all been talking, because there's a lot at stake.
Let me help you with one point before you continue, right? If you look at it like what you say, no, you will continue. They really want that baby to be from Mohbad. They know that if they don't have control over any hospital Mohbad choose, the result will come out two different results, and which is problem. Do you understand? But if they can have control over the two hospitals, then they don't have problem. They will go for it.
That's right. So I feel that Mohbad's estate is at stake right here. And also remember that Naira Marley hasn't paid his due. And if that baby is for Mohbad, everything belongs to that child, and they dictate who to give back.
That is not correct.
Hold on.
I disagree with you. No. But
do not.
I disagree with you that everything belongs to the baby. I disagree.
Okay, no. Now, hold on, please.
Wait. I didn't hold on. The sniper, was it in that agreement? Was there anything like that in the agreement about the property sharing to the baby?
Sorry, repeat your question. I wasn't listening.
I think I heard something like that. Was there anywhere in the agreement that if that child belongs to Mohbad estate, the property will go to the child?
Maybe I haven't read that part.
Because I heard about something like that in the agreement. Like
my submission around that is that
go on.
This marriage is a customary marriage.
Yes.
And Aloba is the head of that clan in a customary way.
Okay, so Chairman,
It's
not automatic.
You don't understand his voice.
Hold on, give me a second. Based on what you just said.
This is hot.
I mean, Papariano, what you don't understand is this. Now, we were told, because please, when we are speaking, please let us be referring back. We were told that at the time that Mohbad died, there was a lawyer present at Mohbad's death. Now, my question is this. Did Mohbad draft a will? Hold on. Was there a will?
No, there was not. I've answered it right away. There was no will.
There's no will anywhere.
But the lawyer hasn't spoken.
Let me help
you there. You see, just wait. Okay, let's get clarity. We are thinking logically here. But Mohbad even went ahead to accuse them of making a will. Okay, of saying that there was a will, and then they came out. They denied it that there is no will anywhere. Okay, and they threatened to sue the man 200 million naira to apologize for that, for making such statement about will or whatever. So that has ruled out the possibility of a will. You understand?
So, Papariano, so now let me tell you something. Please give me 1 second. The lawyer has this record. Now we don't know if a will was drafted because.
Let me cut it short there. I don't understand. If a will was already made, right? Let's say that Mohbad had made a will for that child. We don't need to go to do DNA. Do you understand that that child takes Mohbad property, everything without even DNA, whether the child belongs to Mohbad or not? As long as there was a will, I can will all my property to my dog, to my gate man, to anybody. Do you believe so? Do you believe so?
Yeah, you can.
So let's rule it out. If there was a will, we will not go through all this tough process. You understand that? Now let's move on.
And I don't want to hear anything tomorrow that there's a will.
It's okay. No, we have charged that. We have charged that.
You said what I wanted to say because that was what I actually wanted to say. That there's nothing like a will. Even the lawyers came outside to deny that there's nothing like a will.
If there was will, she won't do DNA now. She'll be happy.
There's no question of a will here. That's what I wanted to say, Richard, to remind her that.
And so everything does not go to the
Wait. Let me say something. Why people did not, guys? Why are you not subscribing? I still commode the chat. Yet now not subscribe. Now we can do. Now just they get free information, especially Mohbad fans. When would they argue they defend Mohbad? We not go see them. They're not going to come now. The one that defend Mohbad the most. You will not see them. They are only good at swearing. And we call
So, Papa,
they will not come here to come with their facts and their figures.
Okay. All right, get that. Okay, so Papariano, so now.
Do you have the document with you to face Pythagoras?
So, Papariano, now let me ask you a question.
Killing Pythagoras in Nilenu.
Papariano.
Go on.
So now, can I ask a question? A very
ask any question. Ask any question. Yeah.
Because this is becoming so
toxic.
I mean, toxic and irritating. So now, why can't just the court just issue an order on a neutral ground?
No, the court can do
so. Two of them
the court
to
can
have that DNA done.
No,
just in one particular place.
The court will have to provide which law in Nigeria that makes her give such order. They have to go to trial.
Okay. All right.
Yes. This one is an agreement. You either go to agreement or you go to trial. Trial is a strict process of the court where the court will have to give verdict based on the legality of the request that was made. Baba made an application requesting for the mother to present that baby so that DNA will be conducted on the child. And then there was objection on the other side that no, court, because court is neutral. The objection says, court, we challenge him, let him provide which part of the Nigerian law that gives him the right to ask for our baby's DNA. Then they went through back and forth. And where I was saying that I have to see the response of Mohbad because something happened there. When Wunmi has raised an objection for Mohbad to show what law in Nigeria gives him the audacity to be requesting DNA on Mohbad on her child, right? Since Mohbad did not bring, according to Wunmi fans and Pythagoras and co, they are lying to themselves. They claim Mohbad did not bring a good reason, right? And that the court was ready for her judgment, to give judgment whether DNA should be done or not after back and forth. Then Wunmi exactly. It was ready for judgment already. Then Wunmi and Mohbad they run into negotiation. You see what was happening? I think Odumosu was the one crafting all these things. Do you understand? Odumosu needed that agreement like more than anything. Guys, do you see that? Do you see what I'm saying?
Right.
Yes. So they wanted to take back to that ground of agreement because they should have gone to the court. Let court decide so that it will be in record whether the grandfather has the right to ask for DNA or not.
A judge that is ready with his judgment, why will the court now change? And so
the two parties have every right to come with agreement. It's allowed.
Okay.
Yes.
So
after wasting the time of the court.
Okay, so now another question that I need to ask you, Papariano. Can you
judgment?
I need to ask him another question, please. Just for clarity, if you don't mind, because we have other people listening who are not on TikTok. So now, my question to you is this: if they should go to, let's say, for example, if the DNA test comes back and Mr. Loba has a positive, or let me say negative result, and this other lady has a negative result. So don't you think it would be good for the judge just to order a new DNA done in a neutral ground that none of them knows about?
The court will have to back it by law. The court can't just do it.
Okay.
The judge will not just give a blanket.
Yeah, the court is nobody's there. The court will give reasons.
In fact, if court wants to give a judgment, it will send you to loot. That's why the judge will send you to loot.
Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you, Papariano. I think I understand. So go ahead.
Yeah, hi. For me,
Papariano, my advice to them is that
make one subscribe now. Why today, though, Baba? Okay, make a leave comment. No gift, no subscription, not at the verse like this, but no sleep as in. Guys, I wanted to sleep. The sniper. The guys I wanted to sleep then.
Sorry,
the sniper.
Sorry, Papariano.
Are you the sniper? Yes. I swear I don't want to sleep. I don't want to sleep. Then did I tell you? I want to make a suggestion. Let me make a suggestion to all parties. No gift, nothing.
All parties, they should carry that DNA to IOM in Lagos. Who knows IOM?
We don't want only Lagos. We don't want.
Oh no, wait. You don't want it. Just IOM in Lagos is a.
Now you can comment to my gifters. Now you can comment.
So they should go to IOM in Lagos and do the DNA. They don't need one, they don't need two, they don't need three hospitals. Baba Aloba, if you are listening, they
don't listen. What you get in one lotion, Baba listen to confirm alone. That's all.
Hey, Chairman.
Yes.
Papariano. People in Lagos State.
Papariano. You know the reason why.
The whole thing now, you know that these people they have power in Lagos State.
No. Juices don't say what. Juices. The reason why I brought up that conversation,
wait.
Even the Lagos State governor, has no power on IOM.
Then let me just say what I want to say, because for me, if Wunmi doesn't have anything that she's hiding, she has supported one hospital. She should care less of the second hospital. She should care less. Let Baba go and bring, or so Baba wants to go and bring for that place, and let them meet. So why is she bothered? So she has confidence in the one in Lagos. For what?
Baba, request for IOM. There is money in Lagos. Shebi is Lagos they want. Request for IOM in Lagos.
Tani Babamo. What if the father of the child is working there? Kill him.
I will die.
Hey, Chairman.
No, Chairman, you go wrong. I
am telling you the integrity of the establishment.
They are manipulating things. Even in Western world, they are manipulating
we
things.
Don't want Lagos, Lagos. UCH Ibadan, which Baba wants now we want.
There is also corruption in Western world. There is also corruption in Western world.
Ibadan la fẹ́ tẹ́ bá ti fẹ́ kẹ́ máa kó ṣe lọ.
Papariano, thank you. I think this whole matter. I don't know why. Papariano, like you said earlier, you see why we are even angry with Baba too was that they were doing back and forth and be writing all this one. People that we advise them better, they were hiding the truth from them.
We are the ones that advise them. They are keeping it from us.
On that G matter,
you see, look at all these kids. All these kids, they are following up with those guys. We need them advice. We with the advice for you, they underestimate us, useless human beings.
Yes. Instead of you to come to people, you are hiding, you are cooking as if you are covering.
I think you
are cooking one Mami Water meat that you want to bring to the world to come and say. Okay, at the end of the day now, people were scared everywhere, like, okay, it's like they don't want to.
How do we defend them when we don't know what they're doing? How do we defend them when we don't know what they're doing?
You can see the way
how do we defend them?
And top movie were coming with documents. See the way I was just looking, say, where are they getting this document from?
How do we defend them if we don't know what they are doing?
I'm gonna leave them, Gary. That's why I hate when somebody was referring
to. Let's just keep educating the public and keep doing what
nobody should tag me. Nobody should tag me with Baba's team anymore. If anybody does that to me, I will curse that person.
Sorry,
we're only being fair. When we have to be fair, we'll be fair.
We said a very important thing. Yeah. Now, Wunmi is the one running from DNA. Upon all this story up and down, you consent to do DNA. Wherever the man wants to take it to, Let him take it there.
Exactly, you will review it. You will review it.
Whatever. Why are you still afraid? Why not stop me?
Yeah, exactly. I think he agreed to one of the things that he wanted.
And you think Baba has the pedigree? Do you think Baba has the pedigree to influence UCH?
It's what she want to do. It's what she want to do that she's suspecting Mohbad of.
Yes. Where
She want to do it, she's suspecting Baba for it. You understand? When you want to thief, you suspect everybody.
What does the man know?
What connection did Baba have? Which money did Baba have? What connection did he have?
Who will be compromised?
You are the one that even consented to the matter. So why are you making it looking at Baba Loba is the one that don't want DNA? You said go to court. Baba went to court. We thought you drag the matter to even Supreme Court. All of a sudden, you consented to it. Now, from your consent, now you are bringing bottleneck again, and you want us to believe that Baba is not ready. Who is a fool? We are not dog like your supporter, Wumi. Stand up and do what is right for Mohbad, and let's get whatever you want to get about the DNA. The money that Africa TV promised you is still here. Africa TV say you are here, you still promise 10 million, 250 million now.
No, leave that one. Nobody go trust African TV. They go in a trap.
Yeah, what you know? Me, I don't even want to UCH again. I don't even already know it. They will have been working their way out of UCH. I want Berekete to do it. Berekete to do the second one. People in Ibadan, they are doing
DNA to something different. We turn DNA to like something that we have not done before in this country.
Like you turn DNA to Tinubu's election.
That same test, because I don't understand. People in Ibadan, they are doing it every day. Every day they are doing DNA in Ibadan. They are doing DNA in Ibadan every day.
But you and me, Hamza, don't do many DNA this year.
Kilo Shele.
It's like
this thing, we tell you now, say, we are allowing them to play us like ping pong. You just mentioned Oriyomi. DNA na water where Oriyomi day. DNA is done every day. That is how we overanalyze it, they overthink. Just bring the bloody sample, we send it to the right places. If the result come out,
Warn your comment section. If anybody, if anybody call my name on your comment section,
Chairman,
but Chairman, you say you don't strong now, so that's not the bother.
Please don't shake it.
No, there's one way they call Bisola me on your comment section.
Chairman, you are the ambassador of.
I know.
Please,
Now
you're the ambassador of peace.
No. Listen, there are some things that is not looking away. Just give it to them. Let them come go straight. Come for the Now, which one is this?
Am I with chairman or just bully? Chairman tó kí gbogbo wa awake láago mẹ́ta òru tá à ń wá kiri.
That night for the first time, even me, I don't used to call it for the first time. I have to use one number to call chairman. I later block him from that.
Chairman be bully now.
If you find me nonsense now,
now, but do not be saying get mine like that.
No. Chairman has activated this defensive power.
So
be careful, guys. They want.
Cross my path and say it's a Boju.
Think this family, they are just giving us drama every day. I think this family are just giving us one new drama.
One number.
You know, they are just giving us one new drama every day. They turn Nigeria to like Republic of what will I call itself? I don't understand.
Papariano does DNA every week.
Between lawyers back and forth on ordinary DNA.
Now every week Papariano they do DNA every week.
As in, when I see all this kill down from Nigeria, I just the verse. Rotimi, at the verse when I make an open foundation down against Nigerian soldiers and police only to deal with Nigerian police and Nigerian soldiers. Anytime we them fuck up anybody like this, we they comfort them.
It's about time, no?
Oh boy, you go on.
And I will be very, very good thing because we are
they go hear from my hand.
I'm telling you, the only people anyhow, you wear uniform na wahala, you do this na wahala.
I go change our law, we go even change our law. Anybody if you wear uniform.
Because that doesn't concern them is a problem that you can't pass their
we go write this national assembly, make them permit everybody.
You have to switch off your phone for soldier. Why you are on a
Papariano, Orotimi, please, sorry.
You get to
can I
check point
come in again?
of your shoulder. They say you have to switch off your phone. Crazy.
Can I come in again?
Please.
Okay. So,
wait, but it's not about Fox. Are you clear about many things right now, man? I mean, listening from the watching.
Yeah. But sorry, I'm going to drift away a little bit from this DNA.
No problem. Ask anything, the sniper. Ask anything. Go on.
Is the sniper Baba's thing?
The sniper, go on. Go on, the sniper.
The sniper is on his own. Mm-hmm.
It's nice.
All right.
Where is IT guy? IT guy don't
right. Let me drift away, please. All right. Now, I saw a video flying around. I won't say flying around. This is the video of Mohbad's apartment via the 3 seconds video. And I've heard some people say the flow are not the same and all of that. And in my opinion, right, what if they changed the tiles after the incident?
No, actually, Yomi, if you look at Yomi's video, he tried to debunk that. And he showed that there's 2 different tiles in Mohbad's house. One in the bedroom and the one in the living room and the staircase. So those the color of the bedroom, Mohbad's bedroom, actually matched the color of the video, of the 3 seconds video.
The color. Very correct, Richie.
Yeah.
Very correct.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Okay, Richie. Now let's look at the size.
The one in the room is white.
Hold on. Let's look at
the bedroom.
Hold on, please. Let's look at the size of the tiles.
It's 40 by 40, bro. The sniper is 40 by 40.
The
40 by
very well. The size of the tiles at the passage, veranda, upstairs is the same thing with that 3 seconds. Because I have to open my laptop and look at it and zoom. It's the same thing with that.
It's 40.
All right, so my next question is this. Okay, my next question is this.
What if they find similar size elsewhere?
Exactly, because if those...
The sniper,
let me
come here. The question I was expecting you to say is
you haven't let me finish my question. When I finish my question,
go ahead. I want to go ahead.
All right. Now, the video we've seen, the 3 seconds video, can you picture where a Mohbad's house that could be? Has anybody looked into that? We've seen the old house. So where in that house do you think that place might be?
This number, let me answer you.
Now, can I answer you?
Bedroom.
Veranda to that bedroom, that veranda.
Yeah. For you see,
You're talking about the balcony.
Size, Papariano.
If that is when you climb staircase, you land in a place where you landed that is facing a room. That place of landing, that's where it is.
As the 3 seconds video.
You see, Chairman. Just let me say this. Why are we trying to analyze the 3 seconds or whatsoever? If Adura could sit down in that press conference and consent, brotherly, consent
that it was that house. That it was that house.
No, but Adura, listen to me. Not even 1 minute. Adura submitted a complete statement.
Problem.
He submitted a complete statement.
You said the video was 3 years ago.
3 years. Listen, not to me.
That house 3 years ago.
Exactly. So
consent to it. Right?
That is why I'm asking this question.
The question further is, was Mohbad in that house 3 years ago, Richie?
And let me make something. Let me finish them. I'm not supposed to say this thing, right? But I want to say this, right? Any video that they're gonna bring, Adura said that there exists the full form of that video. What I expected them to do, they're supposed to have taken that video to that particular conference or anywhere. Or in fact, when Yomi come to police station, that video is supposed to have been shown to Yomi to stop all this thing that is doing. That Yomi,
It's just like when Baba.
wait, not correct. But they are not bringing anything. And don't forget, they have shown video of Naramali Sam Larry of assaulting Mohbad. 2 years video, Mohbad died. 3 years video, they are posting it. This particular one, they refuse to post it. What is special about it?
Now, Papariano, where your Mefabi was showing, was that Mohbad's house?
Yes, Mohbad's house.
Good,
Current
good.
house. Where is that?
Allegedly.
No. Richie.
Hold on, it's Mohbad's house.
That's Mohbad's house.
Now, where? Hold on.
Chairman.
Hold on, sir. Hold on, let me ask my question. If that was Mohbad's house,
That is not the. Wait now, Chairman. I want to correct something. Okay, I want to correct something. That place that Yomi visited, that is not the known last resident of Mohbad.
Hey, that is not movie. This man. You are weird. Stop this nonsense. Come on.
What are you trying to do? Let us talk.
Come on.
Now, in the video,
Try it.
in the 3 second video.
Top man, get something, right? Sometime be cunning, okay? Just to see whether there's going to be something new. You don't know, okay? Let him play his funny game. Then we're going to answer him cunningly. Top man, please tell us when was the last apartment of Mohbad.
Now, the last known resident of Mohbad, we all know, is Orchard Road. Okay? Now, this particular video, as Adura said at the Frank conference that Yomi organized a few weeks back, he mentioned that video has been in existence.
That's not
3 years
what I'm
ago.
talking about. No, that's not what we are talking about.
Chairman, wait.
When you get information, just
Let him land.
Go on.
when you get the information, just do the math.
Go on.
Now, when you look into that particular 3 second video, what visual motion can you dictate? At least you saw somebody's leg, and you can see a tie. Those ties there, all right. What color did you see?
Continue. And just
Answer yourself.
Just finish.
Now, that's number one. What color did you see? Did you see any face there? No. The only thing that you can tell that you saw in that particular video is a tie. Those ties there, you will see that it is like milk color and it's plain design. Now, a Mohbad resident at Orchard, you notice that all those ties that are there, they have marble design. No one is plain. So when you compare these things together, you notice that no tie in Mohbad resident represents that one in that 3 second video.
Okay, stop moving. I've done my own.
Mr. Wishi, want to reply him, please,
Yeah.
Mr. Wishi, please mute, sir. Thank you, sir. Stop moving. No, we are not fighting. Stop moving. Where was Mohbad 3 years ago? No, we are not fighting. Where was Mohbad 3 years ago? Stop moving.
What do you mean by where was Mohbad 3 years
Where
ago?
was Mohbad
was not living at Orchard 3 years ago. That's what you need to know. You were not living at
Mohbad
Orchard
is still
3 years
with
ago.
No. Mohbad is still with Naira Marley 3 years ago.
Mohbad was not living at Orchard 3 years ago.
No.
Know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah, you both said the same thing.
Where was Mohbad living 3 years ago?
Mohbad is still with Naira Marley 3 years ago.
About 3 years ago.
So what are you trying to point out?
Where is your evidence that he was still living at Naira Marley's house 3 years ago? Can you provide that evidence?
Where is your own
Can you just come up
evidence
and
that
say
is
he was living at
living?
Naira Marley?
Where is your own evidence that is living in Oshaka, London? Then
Of course, we
where is
know
your own
that.
evidence? Bring it out.
Wait, calm down. Because if you want to talk based with talk from the point of information that you know that is factual. Now we know very well that particular apartment that they are not living right now, the last known resident of Mohbad,
the rent has expired, which is the reason why they left. And you know very well that rental is yearly in Nigeria here. So he only stayed in that particular Orchard Road for 1 year. It's not even up to 1 year, close to 1 year. So that's what you should know.
Top movie, that is not what I'm saying. 3 years ago is 2020. You remember? And that 3 years ago, which is 2020, Mohbad is still with Naira Marley. So what are you trying to point out here? Mohbad is still with Naira Marley 2020.
What was Mohbad living 2020?
How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know?
Go and find out.
Where is living 2020?
Okay, you know what? We know that Mohbad was, wherever Mohbad lives, Wunmi was there, right? It has been proven that it was Wunmi and Mohbad that was having conflict in that video. So it means wherever it could have been, it was Wunmi and Mohbad, right? Do you accept that Wunmi was the one in that video?
Did you see any face that pictured Wunmi in that video? That 2 seconds video?
Do you agree with Abdullah that was
I disagree with you. Unless you show me a picture of Wunmi
don't worry.
in that 2 seconds video.
It's okay. It's okay. It's very simple. All right. Let them produce the full video. If it is not recent, if it is old, why are they withholding it?
Okay, now Papariano, let me say this thing now. When Adura came to
Wait now. No, I don't want to answer to someone.
You want to talk? Okay, let me read for you. Let me read for you.
Please, stop moving, please. Adura said the video has been recorded 3 years before Mohbad passed on. So you people should get that fact right. 3 years before Mohbad passed on, not after Mohbad passed on. So you should copy that.
2023 minus 3, 2020.
That is 2020. So you people should know what you are saying before you start talking.
Can I speak to Top Movie?
No.
Is that okay? All right.
Okay. Let me leave you guys there. Let me leave you guys here. But no, I will scatter the chapter. Let it be calling.
Yeah, sniper no do like that.
I started to ask questions. You people stop me.
No, you were trying to not to talk. Now don't limit people. Just
objecting him, Chairman.
No. There was a question I asked that he responded to. I've not finished that question. Can I finish my question?
Why not? Go on. Engage.
Thank you. I said the video, the house that Yomi went to, I'm not talking about 3 seconds video. I'm talking about the physical presence of Yomi when he was recording and saying this is bedroom, blah, blah. That's the video I'm referring to. Was that the Mohbad's house? And the answer is yes, that was Mohbad's house. So the question I want to ask now is, where is Mohbad's car in that house? Because from the video Yomi showed, there was no car.
It's been taken away, yes.
Mm-hmm. Who took the car away?
I don't know. But it's not there anymore.
Why was the car taken away?
Ask Top Movie more. Don't ask us, ask Top Movie.
Okay.
Chairman, listen to what you are even look to the question that you are even asking. Asking where didn't you hear when Baba said that his problem is not the property?
I am not talking of property. Okay.
You are talking about a car. What is a car? What is a car not a property?
Hold on. That building and its appurtenances is a crime scene. And nothing should have been taken out of that crime scene.
Even the human being inside, Abby.
Don't let us even open that is police. But that's
Chairman, listen to what you are saying. Let me say this.
Let's think on the video. Let's talk about the video and Yomi. This is where
now, Chairman. This is what I want you to understand. Wait, let me just respond to Chairman. Chairman, this is what I want you to understand.
Oh no, leave property.
The reason why Yomi went to that particular place was based on the warrant of search that they got from the court. Mm-hmm. Now, why are you guys not asking? Because the first instance, we all know that the reason why Yomi was demanding, or the reason why he had to go to the court to get an order, was to be able to extract a presumption of whatever CCTV that he claimed that he has.
Yes.
Why is he not going? Why is he now not telling you guys that
He
This is
said
the
it now. He said it.
Do you not know
He
that?
said that.
This is
He
Hold
said
on, guys. Hold
Let
on,
him
guys.
finish. Let him finish.
Do you not know that your
Wait now,
was
calm
able
down,
to
calm
hold
down. Let me just finish
on?
now.
Your me got access to that building simply because they were preserving that
That's
building.
why
The landlord should have rented that building out.
not to extract any CCTV footage.
Hold on.
It's two
The
different
landlord-
things.
The landlord of that home, of that estate, they've not rented that property out.
They can't rent it out, but Mr. Chairman,
Fantastic.
well, they rent here.
So
Well,
if they cannot rent it out,
they can't.
as at last week, it was still a crime scene to be visited. Then why was the car removed from the crime scene?
Chairman, leave car alone.
Chairman, this is police fault.
Leave whatever they have done.
Wumi is the one.
Chairman, I can't believe you're the one talking like this.
Yes,
Now,
he
this
has
is
the
where I
baby,
wanted
so
to
she
say.
can
Just
use that
hold
car.
on. Just I'm coming, please. Now let's take with the video. Yomi got court order. That is applause to Yomi, and I want to
do
appreciate
what?
him for doing that.
To do what?
Whatever court order he got, right, is to go in there to see the ties in Mohbad house. If
See, what you don't understand is that Yomi did not directly get the court order.
Talk like a mature person. Don't interject me, please. He got the court order
Don't fire you.
corroborate.
Don't tell me that again. No. If you want to talk. Don't be telling me talk like a mature person. Don't be telling me
It's
that.
not you.
I never agree you.
His comment section I was talking to.
How can you say what is wrong with you now? Why are you using that word?
No. Hold on. Rotimi, hold on.
That's
Hold on,
wrong.
Hold on, Rotimi. Top movie. Rotimi was not referring to, he was referring to a comment section. Could you please apologize to him on that, please?
He should address it to the person that was because at that point I was talking.
Take your word.
So he making a general opinion. I will take it to me.
Hello, bro. Calm down. Top movie. It didn't even get to me. To forget whatever you're saying. Right now, what I'm trying to establish here is that Yomi got a court order to corroborate the 3 seconds video because people are debunking that wasn't Mohbad out. To be sure. That is a plus to Yomi to get that court order, right? Now, getting access to that house, again, to see more evidence in that house is the CCTV plug, which he made mention at the end of that video. What I still expect him to get more is to get court order to the neighbor's house, which we have been waiting for Baba's team to get. And Muyiwa said they cannot work on that. And I think gradually, we are getting closer to justice. For court to be able to give order to police to even follow Yomi to that house, to corroborate the video Yomi has, is a great work they have done so far. And if we are trying to water it down, that was Mohbad 3 years ago. Already, Adura consented to it that video, the full video exists. As in their phone. Whatever they are planning to do to that video evidence is going to be an evidence against them again. Because Adura said the video exists. They must provide that video. Full video is what we are after now. To see what actually, if it's 3 years ago, or 1 year ago, or 3 days ago, we are out to see the full video. And I'm so glad that if Yomi could get court order into Mohbad's house, my people, we are progressing 100% to justice for Mohbad. So whatever we are trying to water down in this effort is needless.
What's it to add to what you just said now? According to that, Yomi said he wanted to bring a CCTV of a thing. But if Yomi spoke about it, when he got to that house, he said, based on the technology that technician that they went with, that the CCTV has been uprooted from that place. So he still spoke about that thing, and he showed us the video where that thing is staying. So even if you like, you don't like, Yomi is doing it, and God bless Yomi. And as many people that want to do it, God will help them. God will help them. If Wumi is not hiding anything, if Adua is not hiding anything, they should give us that camera. And secondly, Wumi heard that they said that Mola said Wunmi was the one that pushed Mohbad, that led to Mohbad crying. Wunmi never even petitioned Damola for no reason. She never even make attempt to do anything concerning such allegation. So she knew within herself that if I do anything stupid, this Adura and Damola will expose me. That's just the way I'm seeing the whole thing. So you call me to be like, what has Yomi done? Leave Yomi, let Yomi be doing his things.
Let me say this. Let's understand something. Yomi said something about operating. See, let's correct that statement. Let me take you people back to what Yomi said. Yomi said that he has done his own investigation. In fact, that day that he had that protest at Corona, he said, and I quote, he has done his own investigation, that every apartment in that estate has camera and they are stationed in a particular, they have a particular station, not within the apartment, but with the security of that estate. He called it a central unit. And that is where all those footages are. And he even went further to say that nobody can delete it. So the court order that Yomi is supposed to be going for, or the one that you ought to have gone for, is the one to extract that footage from the central unit in that estate. Because Yomi was accusing them of using their estate as a vineyard for harboring murderers.
You want to tell Yomi to do the work? You go and do your own now. Bring it back. They have done what he feels needed now.
Do you want me to talk, or you just want to just drive with your own narrative? When you get information,
I know that you want justice. I know you want justice. I know. So you go and do that one.
Wait now. So now, let's understand. If the motive of getting a court order initially was presented to be to extract a footage, why then go for search warrant through the police? What happens to that extraction of footage that you have already campaigned for?
It's work in progress.
Entirely.
Okay.
Yes, you can say that.
Maybe giving him excuse while he's busy scamming people and extorting them, and it's not right. And you're giving excuses. What he did after what he did. Okay, for me to go to that particular resident, what meaningful does the thing attribute to this justice? What
we are pleased with what he is doing.
Please continue. Let me just ask me one question.
Go ahead, Richie.
You said that you have looked into the video, right? And then you said the fall that you saw on that video doesn't have any pattern. I think this is wrong, because I actually looked at the video and compared to what Yomi was pointing to on the bed, in the bedroom, and on the passage outside the bedroom. The color of that place is exactly the color in the video. So I disagree completely with you what you said.
Richie, now this is what I will tell you to do. You see that video, the 3-second video, all right? Mm-hmm. If you have PS, if you have PS on your phone, like Adobe editing software on your phone.
I have something better.
Now, what you do is you change the contrast.
And I don't need to change the contrast.
Wait, now you change the contrast and you crop it and zoom it.
The color.
You will see every detail of that particular ties.
Yeah.
And one thing again you should understand is that the size of that ties does not represent the size of the ties in the last known address of Mohbad.
Okay, so top movie.
What was the size
top
of the
movie? Top movie. Okay, so now let us agree that the interior of the house did not match Mohbad's house. We all agree, okay? So my question to you is this. The voice that was depicted, the voice that we heard from the 3-second video, did that sound like Mohbad's voice and the deceased wife's voice?
Well, I will tell you, honestly, I have listened to that sound, that voice several times. I've played it more than 20 times. Whatever I can hear, like most of the, I was trying to compare the both. I've listened to Wunmi, I've listened to Yomi. and I will tell you with all honesty, the voice that I heard is Yomi's voice.
I'm not. Hold on. I'm not talking about Yomi's voice.
This guy is weird.
The question I'm asking you, can you let me just ask you some questions? So,
I don't know. You did not hear what he said, though. I don't know.
Maybe she didn't hear.
Yomi's voice and Adura confirm the video is real.
Hold on.
How dangerous can you be?
Adura confirmed the voice for you.
How dangerous can you be?
Did Adura confirm the audio for you?
Oh, please, can you guys let me understand this?
Adura only confirmed the tutorial video.
You don't listen.
Okay, so top movie. Whose voice was that?
He said,
Mr. Ricky of the night back, my brother. Thank you.
So top movie. Whose voice was that?
When I listened to it, I heard Yomi's voice.
Huh?
I'm telling you. Go on, Adedoyi, try and listen to it and listen to one of those audio recordings or.
Hold on now. Okay, hold on, guys. Please let me. Okay, so top movie. You said that the voice sounded like Yomi's voice. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So now, okay, that's fine. So did Yomi send the video to himself? Was Yomi? Hold on, because did Yomi send the? You said it sounded like Yomi's voice, right? Did Yomi send the video to himself?
I know where top movie is going.
It was Yomi that sent the
please,
video.
can you just let me ask him, because I want to understand top movie very well. Top movie, you said that was Yomi's voice. So
exactly.
Can you say, okay, hold on. According to what we heard, let's assume that Dura did not send the video, but this time around it was the other guy that sent the video. So what you're telling me now is that this other guy went to Yomi, recorded.
No, Yomi was staying with Mohbad at that time.
Hold on, Juicy. Let's get him clear. So top movie, can you answer? So are you telling me now, we agree that it's not Adura, it was the other guy. So what you're telling me now is that me went to this other guy, they recorded the video and they sent it back to Yomi. Is that what you're saying? So
okay, and let's be honest with ourselves. Now, this particular video, 3-second video, was sent to Yomi. Okay, it was not through Yomi that all of us got to see this video. Is it possible that Yomi edited the video?
No, it was to Karimo. It was to Karimo.
Wait,
I know that's why you
wait now. Wait. Oh, you want to talk? I will allow you. I'm not here to argue with anybody. I'm here to say what I know. Honestly, you can verify.
So top movie, if that was okay, hold on, and this is so top movie. If that voice was Yomi's voice, when they went to the police station, why didn't Adura, and when Adura was being interrogated again at the conference, why didn't he say that no, that is your voice? But Adura said that was his brother's voice.
But they were talking about the video. Nobody talked about audio.
Adura said the voice was his brother's voice. And that was the brother's wife's voice.
And another person.
A question. Why did Adura say it there that no, this is not my brother's voice? This is not his wife. Adura forgot.
Now,
Adura forgot.
Now, are they doing? Now, listen to what you're saying now. Adura is talking in respect to the video that he knows that have been in existence since 3 years ago. Now you are talking in regard to the one that Yomi presented to the public. It's two different things.
Okay.
Adura is referring to the one you have the knowledge about. You are talking. I'm talking about the one that Yomi presented to the public.
Okay. Top movie, please. Let me ask you a question. Please. This is in respect to the conference. Are you listening? Right.
Hello.
Please. When Yomi asked Adura about the video, can you mute, please?
Yeah. Hello.
Can you mute yourself, please?
Yeah. Good evening.
Can you mute yourself, please?
Is there no moderator here? The sniper now.
This sniper, can you mute this man? Anyway, top movie. Adura said, right? when Yomi asked him about the video, Adra said yes, referring to the video. He said it was CY. That's why he said it was CY and his brother and one other person, which is the third person. So why are you now trying to debunk that the guy confirmed?
Now, to Richie, this is what you understand. Yomi is working with what he believes, not what he knows.
No. Forget about what Yomi is working.
Wait now.
The question,
if you want me to talk, I will talk. Let's try and balance this issue. It's two different perspectives. Adura has his own perspective. Yomi have his own drive of perspective, that he have his own motive of whatever he's driving at. Now, you cannot pick and choose. If you want to say, when Adura said that particular video have been in existence since 3 years ago, all right, more than 3 years ago, Yomi said is a lie. That is it was recorded in that building. Now, I'm referring to Yomi's video. Understand? That is why I said let's center it on the video that Yomi is believing to be Mohbad's house.
Yeah, but the question Yomi asked Adura
now, if you want us to go,
that video.
If you want us now to talk about the one of Adura, then we should understand that particular video have been in existence since 3 years ago. Then we can go on that, because that is the one that Adura was referring to.
Please wait, sir. Stop moving. We agreed with you that the video has been in existence since 3 years ago.
Hello?
But you are confirming it to us now that the video... Wait, Mr. Fred, mute, please. Your network is not good. Go down and come back, please. Thank you, sir. Okay, if you are telling us now that the video has been in existence since 3 years ago, but you also are saying that the voice in that video is Yomi. So which of your words should we take? Which of your words?
I am saying yeah, and I'm saying it very honestly. Like, no, I've done my own finding. I've evaluated the sound, the audio that came out from the 3-second video that Yomi posted for everybody to see. The audio that came out from that 3 seconds video is Yomi's voice. That is what I can dictate. Now, because when I hear that sound, there's a software, sound dictator, to identify voices. When I did my match on it, it was absolutely 90% of Yomi's voice. Fine, you cannot get 100% match, but it was at 90%. That is why I would tell anybody that if you go and listen to it very well, listen to your misrecording, and you compare both of them. The one that Adura is referring to, we've not seen that video. We've not. He has not come out to play it, because he said that he has a full video of it. He has not come out to play it. Nobody knows where that one is, whether it's existing now or not, because we all know that it was Damola that was last seen with the phone. Where that particular video.
Top movie. What I'm getting from you. What I'm getting from you. What you're saying now. Adura at the conference was referring to another video entirely. Is that what you're trying to say?
What I'm saying is that the video Adura is referring to. Wait, now let me explain to you so that you understand me better and do the math. What I'm saying here is that we have two videos, all right? We have a 3-second video.
I don't understand. Why not they let this guy they spread the why not they give him a chance now?
Drop
this Richie. When I only let them they disrupt mental health. Hello? It's don't lie.
Both Yomi and Adura are they in agreement of what those videos tell? Hello, I'm hearing you.
2 months and I'm telling you guys.
I can hear you.
This
man be this one.
Please,
top movie, you get sense. If you get sense, you get sense. It's better better to listen to this moron. This
Richie, go ahead, Richie.
This coach.
Go ahead, Richie. Are you there?
Yeah. I wanted to tell you something. Top movie.
Okay, go ahead.
Please, you said something.
Connect me, I beg.
Please, can you take this person down? Can you take Fred down because it's not topic?
Yeah,
for
please, please. Yeah.
About they drop me now. Now they hear what this boy they lie. Now they drop me.
Top movie.
Let's see how they laugh.
Top movie. You know what I have with you.
No, you know what I listen. People Air Force now. Now they ask a question. They change them now.
Top movie. You know why? Top movie. You said something about the Baba Mohbad autopsy maybe about a week plus ago, and I'm bringing it back to you. That was a lie. You sent me an address, right? That she go and check. That was a lie.
Now they think they run away with false narrative.
It's not nice. It's not nice. Do you know that this? Do you know that this?
No. It's just a big
has actually been done. Why are you bringing up this false narrative? It's crazy. It's crazy. Stop it. It's not healthy. It's not. I don't know who's paying you.
Richie,
but this is not nice.
Richie, I wouldn't want to have any.
You're the lie. I don't like the fact that I would divulge information. I swear, and you're telling me it's a lie. How did you go about the information that I gave you? Go out you before you die. Which kind of
how did you go about it?
Why you lie like this now?
Listen,
did you get the location, the venue that I sent you?
Is it a lie? Is it stand for that lie? Upon all the fake CCTV one just now, una still lie for Papa Mohbad. Even Papariano, you see me tell you say that lie. See break everything now.
It's not. There's no need even analyze that 3 seconds video to be very honest. Like there is no need to even talk about that 3 seconds because there's nothing. All those things are just one of those. They are false narrative. Don't even bother yourself going to analyze a video. 3 seconds. That is rubbish because you can't get anything from a 3 second. Like it's just one of those things. Don't even stress yourself trying to say, it's your me, it's not your me. Whatever it is, if they have any evidence, they should post it, they should bring it out. 3 seconds video it will not hold water, will never hold water. It's just one of those things. Don't even bother yourself. Don't bother yourself, okay? If they are trying to sell a narrative that Wunmi and Mohbad fought and Mohbad broke his neck, blah, blah, blah. The video that they were taking Mohbad to, they don't see Mohbad bleeding out or his neck broken. Please don't even bother yourself. They will, after this one, they will bring out another one. Their narrative never ends. Another one will still come, and we will still be doing what she's doing, and she will still be okay. So don't bother yourself. Like, don't even stress. It's not even worth it at all.
Okay, well, I appreciate, but you see one thing, it's not even about them, because whether we like it or not, people visit internet every day. There are some new people that will be listening, and I wouldn't want them to be giving that false narrative that will
top movie. They should listen. People know the truth. When they post this thing on Instagram, you see the comments, right? Just let them sell whatever they want to sell. It doesn't move anybody. It is no longer that Mr. Mohbad. It's no longer that we did this. It's no longer that it was DNA. It's not like it was Canadian visa. It's not they will keep speculating forever.
Una get sense here. One another defend. One another tell Wunmi go and do the right thing. This one na somebody who talk say Wunmi push person for step case. So I not say me Wunmi sooner. Me sooner for every
let them rant finish. Please wait first.
I beg no better for all of una, including Wunmi. Una dey no
right bastard. You are a complete bastard. You wey dey beat your mama. Why you run comot from Nigeria? Your mama you dey beat. You are a very irresponsible child. You dey beat your mama.
Telling you, Mari. Make una kuku drop everybody. Tell you what they go every day new narrative. If it's not this one today, it's that one tomorrow. Waiting happen now. So much effort, so much stress just to make me guilty. Like, why? Beg.
What's happen? Guys, what's happen? Oh boy. I see my run go check something. I see make I run reach Oyingbo market, go buy something from Oyingbo. Oh wow. So person nothing go Oyingbo. Yeah. I see make I run enter Oyingbo. Wow. Oh wow. So now I'm not going to go Oyingbo again. It can't do me now. I wanted to sleep then. Oh, network drop everybody. What kind of network is this now? Which kind of network is this now? What is this? Oh, I done. I don't tire, bro. As in, guys, make I go. Make I go sleep. My eye red.
Thank you for bringing me out for darkness here. But mind you, onye ahụ na-akwụ ya na Nigeria at the end of the month enye 500. N'obodo a na-asị ihe a ga-agbakọrọ ya wụ maybe per hour na-enye ihe dịka 50 euro or 70 euro per hour. Nwanne times n'anya in a month. O wee mmadụ na ihe ọwụzi ewu anti ndị anti ka ọwụzi. So ọ wụrụ nwaanyị nwere conscience ọ ga-asị gị thank you for bringing me out. And ịbịa ya limit onwe ya. Even ọbụrụgodị ndị ke na-aga ehicha ndị agadi ukwu ịbịa n'obodo a na-anyị nọ na ọnwụrụ m nwaanyị ndị na-amụ ihe ha do ha kpọ onwe ha nọọsụ ka m kwere ọkụ ịma ego na-enye ha ma ọnwa agwụ ụwa ọkadụ ndị ike ịmakwa na Naijiria ọnwa agwụ a na-eji ụgwọ salari ahụla m ewe ọka na Naijiria na-akwụ 500,000 ọsị m na-eji ha ụgwọ 6 months a na-akọ ya akọ n'obodo a ọwụrụ na ị na-akwụ m ụgwọ 5 ịkwụdị m ya ọwụrụ 6 ka ị ga-akwụ ngị ga-eji aka gị tii dị penaliti na ego ịkwụga m. My brother, ihe agba n'aka deji enyele ya ote ihe m ga-emere onye ahụ ijiri ka dịka ote Dangote siri kara m. So nwaanyị ọbụla rige 500 na Nigeria ihe ahụ awụdo ego ihe ahụ 250 euro. Onye na-eklin ihe n'obodo a da-akwụ ya 250 euro ọ bụrụgodị 4 hours job. Okay, ọta nke wụ eziokwu.
Akụ ịma na nwaanyị rige enwere Mr. Chukwudi ebelivuru m na ịmacha ihe niile anyị na-ekwu. Enwere ihe m chọrọ ka iwe up ka iwe in na ihe m na Mr. Humphrey na-ekwu. Achọrọ m ka iwe in weda ihe m na-ekwu ọwa eziokwu ọwasị. Nwaanyị na-receive a lady receive gị 100,000 every month. Ọ ga-efeel big, ọ ga-efeel too big. Kara nwoke na-receive 300,000 every month. Na Nigeria. Okay, look at it this way. Mr. Chukwudi, onye receive get 500,000 nwaanyị na-receive 500,000 naira Nigeria dị comfortable. Ego anyị na-receive 1,006 n'obodo oyibo, 1,007 even 2,000 euro n'obodo oyibo na-ebiri na one room. All the very dangerous ị ga-alụ nwaanyị na-receive 500,000 naira or 600,000. I'm talking out of experience. Ima most people na-abịa kwu okwu ana m ekwu okwu a nwaanyị ọbụla na-receive 600,000 naira na Nigeria ịkpọga 600,000 ọ dị small, but ego ahụ na-abịa with pride, ego ahụ na-abịa with level up, ego ahụ na-abịa with
realization ama m otu Nigeria shidiri nwaanyị ọbụla wee young lady ịchọrọ ịtara ya ihe m gwara gị ị na-receive 1,700 euro in Italy ịnọ Germany gị ga-alụta nwanne ahụ 700,000 600,000 na akaụntụ ya biri ọfụma na-elive large gị lụta ya and gị ga-biri one room na-receive that money ị na-adịghị nke afọ ụkwụ na-echighị ike ị ga-eluzu that game ma ịkpọta ya believe me. Ordinary nwa na-ahụ 100,000 every month ọ na-agba nwoke na-eri $3,000 hit na America ọ na-agba ya hit the man na struggle handle ya ọ wụrụzie gelu hụga such money na Nigeria. Mr. Humphrey amami ihe anyị nọkwanụ at least anyị anụzi into 1999 ihe anyị nọ 2025 ị kwesịrị ịma how our women function.
My brother, ihe na-ekwu ana m aghọta your point. Chezọkwa na enwere ndị dị blind, enwekwara ndị dị incline wụ ebe a m nọ na Nigeria na-eri 500 a m pụkwa na abroad m onwe m upgrade na ọ ga-agbalị ọwụda onye ọbụla stigmatized one place. A na-mbugharị ka ejere mbe nwanne nwata nwere thinking faculty ga oke akwa na this platform ka anyị nọ one woman gwara anyị na ọ na-arụ na Emzo Pharmaceutical na Nigeria. For how many years? Then ebe ọ na-arụzi ọrụ na ego a na-akwụ Inemont na ebe ọ nọ na Canada lekwe kemgbe ha 2-3 years ọ bịara lekwe ụlọ ole ya na di ya zụrụla. My brother, ihe aba na aka deji enyele 500,000 with situation Nigeria na yes always okwu nwaanyị ga-eme proud n'onwe ya mana ego ahụ ya were solve wa problem gị hụ na onwe dị ihe ọwụ. It's a big money to them. What is 500,000 na 250 euro or $200. So ihe mekwu ọ nwere onye ga-ahụ ya ebu onye ibu n'anya mana enwere nwaanyị nwere more sense ga-akụ na ọkwa ịma with this my certificate here. Even n'obodo anyị nọ na a ga-asị gakodi school gogodi language school alone menwe ihe a ọ gị ga-amụ ọrụ ego ole ka na-akwa penta n'obodo a na-epenti ụlọ. So ekwugede m na maybe na ọrụkwa ma pride jiri ha n'ahụ sọsọ nwaanyị Nigeria bịa abroad alone ka awụgodie pride because ime onye ara kọndọktọ ofekwa onwe ya n'aka akwụkwa nke lige 500 na Nigeria.
Mr. Humphrey you need to deal with a girl with enwe ha na big girl no Nigeria deal with big girl na asị na ịlụlụ nwaanyị ya nọ na Nigeria emont ego ole ka ị na-ewegere 500 ewedekwa n'ihe ọwụ my brother. Gentị ị ga na-eche ka mgba gị ihe na-amaghị gentị nwunye gị dị loyal because na ọwụ onye ma before gị pụọ and na inye gị 500 wụ na ị contract go ya based on ọwụ onye ị na-enye ego onweghị loyalty ebe ị nọ. Nwunye gị na ị nwere ike na-enye nwunye gị 500,000 ya eme ya appreciate ya eshow gị loyalty because ọ wụ onye mabugo ama and ego ahụ awụghị ego ya nwa hustlụga ihe awụ ego inye gị ya si dash iji support ọ family. But enwere ihe dị iche ọ dị iche from a girl na ọwụ ihe awụ ego ọ na-ahọzụlụ onwe ya ọwụhụ anybody nyere ya pride ga-abịa ya n'isi dị excess compared to nwunye gị. I'm not saying that na onye ọbụla nwere ego a na-adị loyal, that is not the case. But ihe m chọrọ ka ịghọta ihe awụ that na most girls dị comfortable na Nigeria before gị kpọta ha obodo oyibo ị ga-adị very careful and ị ga-ama your capacity. Onye m chere ịgwa gị here. If you are getting my point.
Yes, aghọtara m ihe kwuru mana ihe ndụmọdụ m na-enye ya onye ọbụla mgbe ịkwụọla ya ọ wee hụ nwaanyị wụ ọka elu gị ga-bụrụ elekwa n'isi ihe anyị na-eji elele mgbe a na-eme asị gị mee background check ọ gị hụ ọkụ ga-ahụ gị naked wire gị ga-abụrụ nwoke ọbụla chọrọ peace of mind onye gị ga-ebuild together. Gị hapụ gị ọkụ ya ahụrụ m onwe ya ma ọ ga-ahụ nwanne m but nwaanyị dịkwa loyal ga-abịa mata na I will get more than this ma m bịa.
Okay, nsogbu anụ Blessing, thank you so much. Blessing, go ahead. Blessing, are you there?
Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, my sister. Do run no sit enough, Magwanyo. Blessing.
Omowummi State, that sounds.
Kebi Sharon United, Blessing.
Abonyi data.
Kebi Sharon. Okay. Blessing tira anyono.
UK.
Go ahead.
Okay.
Investigation makery. And the investigation goes that now 70% of Omowummi ndebani, with all due respect, ndeke nwoke gara hụta na Nigeria kpọta ha obodo oyibo, 70% of them from Ihem Joga people no back home. And the sum of them na consult na ajụ. I learned that now 80% of them nda kpọtara di ha kpọtara kpọta obodo oyibo. 80, with all due respect, but ịma na eziokwu na afọ ụfọ, 80% of them are not earning up to 500k every month in Nigeria. That most of them people no below 300k, 150, 200, 100. So now know that Omowummi that are very much comfortable na Nigeria. That na before ge lota ha kpọta obodo oyibo, ị ga-ama your capacity. Ama if I'm making sense or not. And the man na nwaanyị akpọtara gị obodo oyibo ichiri ịkanta ihe m kwuru gị gbagote ilu, and ịgbagote gị bịa with the fact gị weta statement of your salary from Nigeria. I don't know if you are getting my point. Blessing, I don't know if you are hearing me. Yes, majority of them Omowummi ndị akpọtara from Omowummi ndị a nwoke gara na Nigeria agaga akpọta obodo oyibo ha alụọ di na nwunye. Most 80% of them, in fact, with all due respect, 500 is too much. 80% of them are not getting 400k every month. As far as Nanya and made legit, whether business, whether self-employed, 80, but 20% when they got that 400k. So all we go see that now their loyalty is drew out of income. Sometimes income determine the level of the respect level, the loyalty. So into this topic. You are trying to mean give that na Omowummi ndị nọba anyị na-eri 600k, 700k, 500k every month. Check most of them. Ọ na-ara ahụ ya ha na nwoke mega ihe nwoke alụ ha kpọta ha obodo oyibo. Go and verify what I'm saying. So go ahead.
Okay. Based on ihe kwuru kịta ka m ekwu ka m bido from general.
Yes, you can respond with ihe m kwuru now. Ya kwa na digi kpọtara gị UK. Ya na digi kpọtara gị UK gị ikwukwe then ya wụrụ na ị na-enweta 400 or 500,000 every month. Ị na-arụta ya cash ọ wụkwa ego hook up. Sorry, asịkwa m na ị na-eme hook up. Just ihe a genuine money. Gị bịa ya akanta ya with evidence. Anyị ahụ ya.
Well, Chukwumerija, I'm not married. Onye kpọtara m my auntie Musa mgbe m nọ Nigeria. Onye mụ na ebi mgbe m nọ Nigeria. So he supported me when I was coming. Mgbe m na-abịa gas school for my master. So ọ just soro kwụọrọ m half of the money nkwụtọpụ nke ọzọ. Size m bịa nkwụtọpụ nke ọzọ m na-arụzi ọrụ nkwụtọpụ ya. So ọ ya bụ ihe kpọtara m ebe a. Auntie m mụ na ya bi. So anụbeghị m di aka nọ n'ebe. So then why mgbe m na-aga school enwekwa my cosmate ndị kpọtara nwunye ha. Ị na-aghọta ndị cosmate m ha nwunye ha so wee bịa. And most of them nwunye ha like enwere nke ọwa nwunye ya kwụtọrọ ya ụgwọ school fees ya kwụrụ half of the money. Nwunye ya bụ ihe kwụrụ ya. So ihe niile and ọsịkwa na Nigeria nwunye ya nwere school. Ọ lụrụ the lady. So the lady na nwere school. So and there is a when staff ọ na-akwụ wee ga-ama n'ego ole onye na-eme eke wee kwụwa mmadụ ụgwọ ịma Nigeria. So mechazie mgbe ọ bịara ime master, the man ji aka ya bụ ụzọ wee bịa mecha the woman read the school were the ego gbagote then werekwa ego tikwa wee gbagote to UK ebe a bịaruo na-arụ as a dependent. Ịma dependent na-aka arụ ọrụ karịa student because student na-arụ only 20 hours. So the man bịara 20 hours a na-arụ ego ole ka ị na-arụtakwa na 20 hours ọgụna dị ezu ịkwụ ụgwọ ụlọ na ihe ndị ọzọ all by the grace of God. Like mụnwa arụfechara m 20 hours doing my own time because I have nobody supporting me. It was only me paying all the bills, house and everything. But yawa the nwunye ya nwe ihe help ya. Add the two married people, one wụ Yoruba, one wụ Edo, one wụ okay yawa wụ onye Delta. so di ya ọkwa nwunye ya bụ ihe na-arụ full time work wee na-asọpọt ya. So it's not about ihe nọ na this marriage things. Ihe m ghọtara na ya according to ma ndị anti mụ na ya dị enwe ihe a na-akpọ ịlụ onye wu your own ịlụ onye Chineke dere gị and enwe some things m na-adị eme enwe mgbe m na-awụ mbịa life ọhụrụ mgbe ọdọkọ na-eme life nga life ya m na-adị ekwu when you are married enwe mistake anyị wa na-eme ma a chọrọ ịlụ di na nwunye ahụ ị na-akwado ịlụ di na nwunye enwere some certain things ịma gị na mmadụ na-ayị ị chọrọ ịlụ onye ahụ ị ga-ama na enwere some certain behavior ya drop as a man and also as a lady before ị na-aba into relationship ihe egwu ya were aba especially onye nwere aghụghọ like amamihe enwere some ladies na-enwe aghụghọ like akpịrị ego or something like that onye anyaukwu ihe na-adịghị ezuru ijiri ya baa na marriage ọ ya fịa ahụ da marriage anwụ ọkụ. So ihe ịmago onye ị na-alụ ịmago otu aka ha ya you live according to that or go on onwe gị help or you na-grow together. Ọkwa then ọnwe ị na-achọ ịlụ di ịma na onye a bi na one room apartment then o nwere ike ka nwe ya na ị nwere onye nwaanyị na-alụkwa di ya na-anya SUV or something ị na-achọ ka di gị zụọrọ gị daa moto ọ ya wọkụ da marriage ama wọkụ because gị na ya na-awụ a na-egro adezi ọwụ mindset ahụ ka ị ga-eji baa the marriage. M ga-ebido from that one room na-ebido before na ama ihe na-eme ọwụ na ị na-arụ gị na ya na-enwe the same mindset a na-arụkọsị na-eke bills together like enwe ndị na-asị na UK ma abroad na nwoke a ga-akpọta ya na ya na-eke bills or something then gị chewe na achọrọ mgbe gị chewe ọya wee ị ga-echewe chere onye ji ego onye ji enough cash ya bịa lụrụ gị ịmago na onye ya pay ihu ya ọbịa mana as a lady ị na-achọ ịlụ di gị hụ onye ịlaikiri onye obi gị nabatara efu na onye ahụ enwere utu the standard gụwa na onwe gị na-eme expect ọ bụ na ọ ka gị mma na-elu the man dan echi gị tinwe pressure on the man o wee ke gị na ya alụ. So in everything ihe m na-ekwu like enwe ndị bịara ebe a sị na one man na-ebe akwa na ọkpọgote mmadụ na Nigeria ọ na-adị sometimes ka anyị was a lady we should all stop all these things. Ụfọdụ na-eshi from anyị all this untimely death sometimes nwekwa ihe anyị na-ewepụta n'onwe anyị ihe ebe na-anọ ebe a na-agụ gị mụwa bịara otu anyị bịara UK ebe anụwa anyị afụgo ka ebe niile dị for that na ebe a it's not something a man ga-eme alone. You have to help the man to grow. Ọwụ na that man bịara school anyị na nwunye ya that my cosmate nwunye ya help ya wee kwụọ ụgwọ school fees o wee ike by now o wee ike ma ya survive ya ma I survive me by the grace of God because it's not easy. So the man bịa kịta nụ ọ na-ekwu okwu ọkpọ m na ọ na-ekwu okwu kịta ọsị na nwunye ya wụ na-enwe ihe ga-eme n'ụwa ka mgbe ọbụla o mechara nweta ego na ihe ọ ga-emere the woman na ọsọsọ Chineke mana enwekwa ndị bịara with di ha mgbe ahụ na this early stage ha kpọchara di ha like ahụ ike ha abịa after 1 year or 2 years enwewe okwu befe na ama polisi abịago achụpụ nwoke n'ụlọ n'ojishi ike na-akwụ ụda asụmọ ụlọ. So ọ wụrụ gịnị onye ahụ nwere ike mgbe ha nọ Naijiria ha abụọ na-ebi ọfụma ọkpọgotekwazie ya ebe a ọ bịago n'ọfụna na ya wụdịpịara as a dependent ọ ya kacha arụ ọrụ ofidu wezie ka ọ wụrụ the man of the house ị na-aghọta ka ọ kọntrol wezie nwoke kpọtara ya maka na the man ka na-aga skuul ọ na-emeziri ya ihe ndị ọ na-emeburu ya mgbe ha nọ Naijiria o tekewazie over o nwere ike the man
mgbe ụfọdụ ha na-emekwa otu ahụ ka a kọntrol the man.
Yes onye na-awụ the break onye the reason eji enwe too much of this achụpụrụ nwoke n'ụlọ achụpụ nwaanyị o nwere ike nwoke dịgide ya ma o kwezighị ya o nwere ike okwuzie okwu ma ọ baa mba wit iwe the next thing a ga-emezi wee wee ọ resort to police achụpụ nwoke ịma nke law obodo oyibo dị na achụpụ nwoke then sometimes bụkwa ụfọdụkwa na-esikwa ụmụ nwoke n'aka so aga m esikwa na ụmụ ihe niile bụ nwaanyị do because sometimes ụmụ nwoke na-enwe obi ọkụ o nwere ka ọ ya anagidewu like that ndị nke dọkịta na ihe anụ asị mara nwunye ya ụra o nwere ike onwewu that patient like o nwere ike iwe ya enwe nwoke na-enwe obi ọkụ too much o nwere ike o were ịdị iwe mee ihe ọ na-ekwesịghị ime mgbe ahụ result kwa to another thing. So in marriage ihe a na ịbịara ịlụ nwoke like enwere reggae n'ọbụ ebe a before ama maka na ya ịfụ ka ya na nwunye ya marriage is like a teamwork. It's like a teamwork like gị na ya ga na-arụkọ so dị ka ndị a na-asị nwoke gị mere nwoke ga-aga lụọ onye ọcha ya na ya na-arachashi ya ọkwa ịmara otu ahụ dezigụwa na onwe gị lụkwa onye Igbo reggae na nwunye ya nọ na ebe a na sense na kitchen ọ na-asa efere nwunye ya nwee ike nri ka ọ na-eshi ọ na-egosi nwunye ya na-egosi onwe ya ha abụọ nọ na kichin na o wee keta off day ha abụọ na-arụkọsị efugo ọya wụ ụtọ marriage ọwụ ndị ga-asị gị awụrụ nwoke dị afọ ị ga nọrọ ọdụ na room nwunye ga na-eme ihe niile ọkwa dị sem ọrụ ahụ ka gị na ya na-arụkwa ndị mana ihe a obodo oyibo nsụkwa nọ 50-50 onye wagara ọrụ gụwagara ọrụ o wee ke gụwa na-arụ 40 ha na-arụkwa 40 ma ọ na-arụ 20 that day ị ga-anọ na ya dị gị na-eme ka like ụta Chukwudị na enwe ike nọ na kichin na-eshi nri ọ ga-akụchara ya ha mechara ya na kichin Chikwuta mbịa na kichin na mbịa hepụkwa ihu na-emechara datin unu na-achịkwa na-eshikwa dị indomi ma ọ na-eshi nri unu na-eshikwa ọ na-aga ọya that love adịrị ebe ahụ ọ na-aga nwunye gị nọ na kichin ọ na-eshi nri gụwa balansị a na-ele bọọlụ na palọ o wee ke ochicha dị nri mechaa ihe niile mgbe ahụ ọ dịga exhausted ike agwụgo ya ọ bịazie ka ọ nọrọ ọdụzụ ike eburu onwe gị bịa sị ka o mepere gị or anything something o nwere ike nwoke nwaanyị jụ ọya ọkwa esemokwu sometimes ọwụ na ga-esi man of the house akwụrụ m ụgwọ isi gị m ga-emerịrị ihe a kịta ọwụ na ikwe ya ọya wụ na disrespect wago so sometimes ihe a obodo Igbo ọ bụrụ Naijiria wee ka sị nwoke ịma Naijiria but those some families like aunty mụ na ya bi mgbe mụ na ya bi o because he's a married woman with children ifu ka ha si ebi I really learned a lot from them ifu ha sometimes anọkwa m ya as a person na-enyere ha aka mana mma na otu a ha na di ya ga-aga na kitchen sef shie nri bupụta anyị wee rie so those days ha na-enwe chance because ọrụ ha na-adị nyanwa time mbọsị Saturday ma mbọsị ọ bụla ha ga-anọkọta ọnụ ha ya esi nri ha sị m nne don't worry today anyị nwe kitchen a gị na ụmụazị nọrọ shie nri ha ebupụta niile rie like family sometimes we go out and all those kind things ọwụ ihe niile ọwụrụ nwaanyị ma ihe niile ọwụrụ nwoke afụgokwa m n'odise m obodo a enwere ndị mụ na ha bibu before oge nna share bụ house the other place the man n'ọdụ ka ọya nwaanyị because nwunye ya enwedị hey God ọ na-awụ sometimes nọ nlegide ha emekata ndete mgbakpọchigide m anya na-akwapụ the place ọ dị the man na-eshi nri the man ga-asa ụmụazị ahụ nwaanyị amadị ihe gbasara ishi nri ma ọ bụ ịsa ihe ama m according to nwanne ha nwaanyị ya na-ebi ọsọ ụkwụ otu ha ọchi emebu na Naijiria ahụ but na ọ bịaziri obodo a duto na ya dependent ọ wụrụzie the man of the house di ya wụrụzie nwaanyị ọ na-agbata ọrụ otu a ma ọ na-eshi
ọ sị na ọwụ otu the woman shi eme na Nigeria the woman bịaziri wuzie the husband
the woman no flow point ọ dị ekwu okwu
because enwere ego anyị bịara ahịa ọ sị na nwunye ya na ọ gwara ọ sị that na enyi ya nwoke nwunye ya na-anara ya ego ya na-arụ ọrụ every month that's nwunye ya wụrụzie the landlord nwunye ya wụzi landlord na the marriage nwunye ya wụzi Tinubu
which is not the right thing. Sometimes this marriage itself, akọgideze ya anyị nwa na-alụ ụja na-atụpụzi ya because akụkọ mgbe ọbụla ndị Germany shi side akọta nke ha sị gị child care onye lọtazie ọ chụpụ nwoke narawa child care ọwụzi the reason iji alụ nwaanyị ka enye iji ego anyị eme what sometimes before mmadụ ga-ajụkwa n'onwe ya why am I getting married? Are you getting married because na ị chọrọ ịga mụọ nwa ka ị nwere nwa gị then ọnwụ na maka nwa ka ị chọrọ iji why not n'obodo oyibo you can be a single mother ị ga mee ọdụ tụrụ ime mụọrọ ụwa gị nwa zụwa nwa gị hapụ ịga baa na marriage si na ị na-alụ di na nwunye na-anara child care gị ọ gasị before gị lụwa isi onye nka gị na-eme partnership otu a ndị ọcha si eme ya ime na ụdịrị nke ahụ instead of ị ga-asị na ị na-alụ di all these things adịrọ mechọrọ ịba marriage ihe anyị na-abakwa n'ụwa for companionship and old age too gị na ya ife onye gị na ya na-akpara nkata na-enwere this love ihe a na-ekwu na marriage love ịhụ di na nwunye na-ebi ọfụma detin enwere ụdịrị ụtọ na enwe ndị nke ọ ga-awa imegide na chọọchị ma sometimes na striti ị na-ele ha ị na-asị ha God I wish na ụdịrị marriage a ga-abịara gị because of ị na-ahụ otu ha si ebi na otu ha na ụmụ ha si eme ma family ha ebe ọbụla they put one hands together ọwụ nke ọbụla ihe a ụmụ nwaanyị agaghị m ga-agwakwa ụmụ agbọghọ ụmụ nwaanyị ibe okay ị na-abịa ọwụ na ịnọ Nigeria as a single lady ịnọ Nigeria nwoke n'obodo oyibo atawa afụfụ a na-ata n'obodo oyibo ama m na onye ọbụla na-ata afụfụ na Nigeria ya afụ gị si na ọgụwa ka ọ hụrụ lọvụ ọta afụfụ gbaa flight mere gị akwụkwọ jide bịawaji ego ya mere gị ihe niile nne m ị kwesịrị ị ga na-etake that man as like after God na that man and ịbịa asịkwa m nwoke ga-akwụrụ maka ya ọlụta nwaanyị dọta de gị ya megbuwe ya erete mbọ ọ na-enwe akpọgote gị obodo ọ dịrọ izi anyị nwa bịara
marriage awụkwanụ slavery because ọ dịkwa m ka enwere ụmụ nwoke anyị fili na a ga-atọ ọzụzụ nwaanyị ka slavery
ọ dị mma ịmara otu ahụ ị ga-esi mee onye ọcha ị ga-alụ chikwa ụta mme nwaanyị ojii lụtara ịmara ihe ahụ ị ga na-emere onye ọcha na-emere ya nwaanyị ojii and ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo unu na-emekwa reciprocate before mata dị ọnụ biko gị na-emekwara ya otu ahụ biko marriage atọ ka o hapụ ihe emenyezi anyị ụjọ anọ biko and onye si enwere bọda si na nwaanyị bịara bịara obodo oyibo ka UK ebe anọwa na ihe ọ na-eche maka family members ya ọga nke ahụ wasị olesikwa m enwe nwaanyị dị otu ahụ otu a m bịara na-enwedo onye sendere m $1 from any of my family member wee bịa even mgbe m bịara UK ha ama na m bịara ọntụ meru obodo a before ha ama na nna ebe a so nwawe nnọkọta na nsị na mmadụ na nna-achọ ụlọ m ga-arụ na be nna m ụlọ ọbụla m na-arụ taa mụ na di m nwụọ anya mụọ nwa ego ọbụla m na-esi ebute mụnwa na di m so oge a ka o kwesịrị ịdị nwaanyị ọbụla asị ga-enyekwala ndị ezinụlọ gị aka like ị kwesịrị ịhapụ nwunye gị all right, thank you everybody.
Thank you so much. My sister Azuanoka. Azuanoka, I'm sure hold on, no. Mr. Austin, I'm sorry, again, I go agriculture in Azuanoka, woku.
Anọ m n'ọrụ ka m time with time anọ m obere break. Ụmụnne m daalụkwa na ihe ụmụ niile na-ekwutecha kelere m Chimerije for bringing Uncle Ken here. Uncle Ken kwuchara ụka onye mara asụ ya sọ n'iko ya na-ama asụ ya sọ n'ala. Ụka ya ụka marriage counseling. Ihe m jiri gbagote ebe a Chimerije nwere mgbe i kwuru na a na-erikwe salary 700 ejikwa bịakwa abroad. See, ị wụrụ nwaanyị ebere elu di bịakwute di gị n'obodo oyibo bịa wụrụgodo nwa nru nke ịbịakwutere ya obi asị nwaanyị bere ọdịdị isoro di gị nọrọ nga ahụ ọ ga-akara gị mma na iso n'ụdị gị from one room ụnụ azụta ụlọ. Nwaanyị kwesịrị ya bịa na be di ya nwee ihe asị na mgbe ọ bịara ọ dị ụta ka mgbe ọ bịara Chineke agọziela anyị adị ụta ọnwụ ugo ka ọnwụ ịbịa na be ịbịa akpọfete gị abroad gị la di gị bi. Ụmụnne m biko ama m na choice onye dị n'iche n'iche agwa onye dị n'iche n'iche spirit onye dị n'iche n'iche that spirit na-eme ka ịbịarute obodo oyibo ga-omebi di gị na-erite isoro ya mana ejiwe ti gị isi ụmụ na-anụta 2 heads are better than one n'obodo oyibo. 2 heads are better. Ị hụrụ nga emume echi m ga-eme di m welcome to George Bush Airport here. were balloon welcome to nga anabata dị ya echi aka nga ma na-abịara m Amerịka ofu onye ọ na-ara ahụ
akwaso mmadụ ofu onye ọ na-ebu aka enweghị ihe karị Ọgọst na ewu n'ote otu ịpụta dị ihu nwunye gị ya ahụ gị ya eshiere gị nwa ya godi nwa ofe ụkwụrụ ma ofe olugbo enweghị ihe karịrị ọtago gị dị ha ofu onye ibi n'obodo oyibo ọ na-agbakasị ahụ ya gba na gị na didobi ya bụrụ na ewu nwaanyị gị na didobi tụfuo dido gaa chọrọ nwoke lụọ hapụ dido my sister gaa n'iru
biko onye ọbụla wetụlatata iwe ọgwụkwa na achịrị iji mma shabie ego n'olu figurative expression ka mere ọgwụkwa achịrị iji mma shabie ego n'olu gị nọrọ nga aha shabie ego ya ịghọtala mana sụkwa ọwụ na okwu ekwuru n'ọnụ na ọ agwa akpara akpa ama m na enwekwara okwu ekwuru n'ọnụ na-egbu mmadụ karịa iji mma gbagbo mana ka anyị nwewetụrụ ndidi ka anyị na di anyị na-anọ ka anyị ghara ị na-atụfushi oge because nwoke ga-abịa lụọ nwaanyị mee ihe nọ na list kwụọ ụgwọ proses niile ahụ a gara ejikwe nsogbu pụta ebidorakwa n'isi gị mana onwe gị ụkwa nwaanyị mana nke mgbe ị ga-alụ ugboro ole ị gara ịlụ ugbo asị nwezi onye vileji unu ga-akwa ka a na-aga n'ugbo amara na nnọọ ga-anọkwado ga-anọ so ka anyị ji na nwayọ na abroad anyị nọ ya ọ dịghị izi 2 years are better than 1 onye ha na di ya bi ya kelee Chukwu onye ha na nwunye ya bi ya kelee Chukwu ya bụrụgodikwa na one room ka di gị kpọtara gị ịghọtara ole ya nwoke na-atụdụrụ nwaanyị achị mebi a na-atụrụ gị achị iwu ọkụ na-eri ego a ga-eji tọrọ gị achị asị nwaanyị ijiri gwa ya eziokwu na ibi na one room enwere ihe one room mere ibigide na one room shi ya fee na 2 rooms shi ya zụ ụlọ ọwụwa ihe o mere ụmụ nwoke na-echite desert shi different countries 5 countries wee settle one place atacha ahụhụ niile ahụ settle one place ahụ akpọtazie gị nwa mgbe ahụ a relaxzie kpọta nwaanyị abịa ịpịawa azụ ọ na-agba m ka m na ntị ma m na-anụ na nwoke tacha ahụhụ zụ ụlọ nwaanyị abịa chụpụ ya ndị ọtọriti abịasị nwoke crochet gị ihe awụ absolute wickedness nwoke si gị crochet gị ịghọtala I'm telling us the truth ka anyị ji na ya nwayọọ mbibi ifo ihe ejiri mara ndị Igbo ndidi na umeala mana ugbu a amadụ m onye anyị na-eleta na soshal midia na-eme anyị ihe na-adịdị real na soshal midia ka anyị na-ele were ya na-etinye na ndụ anyị na marriage anyị ya were na-emechiri anyị ihe I'm telling us the truth hapụnụ ime nwaanyị na-eritegodikwa ego karịa di gị so far ịhụrụ marriage ka ahụ na ọmụ ya marriage ụmụ ihe ndị ahụ nwe ihe ọrụ ihe jiri n'obodo oyibo ihe ọnwa jiri n'obodo oyibo elee ihe nwe nsogbu anyị kwa ịmara na nwoke ahụ n'ọnwa ụlọ ya na ị bịara Amerịka ma obodo oyibo nwoke ahụ na-eme gị ihe na-ala gị biko kama ị ga-akpọ polisi buru akpa gị pụọ hapụrụ ya ụlọ ya ọ tara ahụhụ hapụrụ ya swet ya ka amadi ọha egbeelu agbagbuo ndị na-eme ụta ịmara na ịnọju ole na ihe nwoke ahụ na-eme mebi otu ochi edresị adịghị mma mebi ọ na-eshi mkpimkpi ịnọkọta ya onwe ahụ na-egbu gị makasị ụmụ nwaanyị nwere karata anọkọta ugbu a hot temper bịa ya ga-awụ na onye na ha hụrụ izuzu otu ochi atazi ihe
ọ na-emezi iriteti akpa ọsọ na ahụ na-eshi ya ushi ọ chọrọ ibukọta ụlọ maka ụlọ atọ mere na ya
biko ụmụnne m ụmụ nwaanyị enwe onye a na-agara nwoke agbụ n'olu so ị ga-achọ ịlụ di alala mana ịchọ ị ga-achọ ịlụ biko ị hụrụ ahụhụ a ha tara from desert si Brazil site gaa Ecuador gaa aka enwere kọntrị ga-eme akpọ ote na-aja ụmụnne anyị na-aga. What are you saying, madam? Be careful what you're saying. What am I saying? So, please, I'm sorry. So, ha tacha ahụhụ ahụ biko ụmụnne m bịa setụlụzie na London ma na UK ma na Germany ma na America. ọ na-eche ozi elu na ihe ọ na-eme na-ewe gị iwe. You can live as a single girl abroad. Ịbarutele dị abroad abịarute mana hapụrụ ya ụlọ ya pụwa gaa biri chọrọ apatment nọrọ kparawa ego kene mgbe ị chọrọ nwoke ijizi aka nche ụzụrụ onye ị chọrọ mana onye nke ahụ mee na-establish taa hapụrụ ya property ya
onye ọbụla kikiri agwa ihe ị na-ekwu maka ụfọdụ not all everybody na-akpa ya but some people na-eme otu a and enwe nwaanyị kikiri against it there are some things involved. It's either na nwaanyị ahụ na-eme ya, excuse me, let me correct something. It's either na ihe mere because ihe ọbụla i kwuru people onye mmadụ na-ewe iwe and ya wụrụ na ịkpọghị ya ahụ ekwuge dị okwu. It's either na that thing no na-eme ya nwawu in question na-eme that thing or na o nwere friend ya na-eme ya or na family ya nwere onye na-eme ya or na ọwụ a feminist, a toxic feminism. Enwe ha na-akpọ toxic feminism because ha karịala these days na ọ karịala n'ala Igbo anyị. Enwe na a lot of ndị nọzi into toxic feminism. In fact ha buru ibu ndị toxic feminism na 50% of ụmụnna ndị nwaanyị nọzi into ihe m na-akpọ toxic feminism. Ọwụhụ good one, toxic one ya. And they ga-ama ha na-asụkwa skate, ha na-asụ skate, ha na-asụ jeans, mana omume ha ga-agwa gị na ihe akwa ndị toxic feminism. Gaa n'iru.
So ụmụnne m eji m obi ọjọọ ekwu ya, eji m from ala obi m out of love. Ndị niile m na-ahụ ebe a so ụmụ nwaanyị ụmụ machara mma, anyị sicha na family pụta, anyị hụrụ ụmụnne nwoke eme nwanne anyị nwoke ụta anyị ọ ga-ala ike ya. Ịmara ihe ha ga-eme nwanne gị nwoke, lesi m ihe tiri nwanne gị nwoke. Ịmara ihe ha ga-eme nwanne gị nwoke dị agbawa gị obi. Enwere m 3 brothers, ihe m na-akpọ ha God the Son, God the Father, God the Son and God the Holy Spirit. Eji m ha egwu and mụ na nwunye ha dịcha na mma. Ma ihe mụ na ha jiri dị na achọ m ka ha megbuore m nwanne m. I swear achọ m ka ha megbuore m ụmụnne m. Onye mụ na ha jiri m jiri rikpuo ha n'ime na ịghọtala. So ụmụnne m biko ụmụnne m ndị nwaanyị Chimeji ekwuchawala m chere. Ụmụnne m ndị nwaanyị biko na eji m ya na-aya unu chọọ ka m sekwuru ala biko na-esekwuru ala ya unu ya ka biko ma ndị nọ na FYP biko ịmara that na ibi chọọ nwoke a na-eche ozi elu pick your things even you're the man si ya chọtụrụ gị ego ga rent 1 bedroom apartment nwa ọrụ gị biri sọ gị ma ị nwetara nwoke ịlakịrị gawa mana kama ị ga-eputu that man na
onye ndị Kenya na-eme. Excuse me, let me help you out. Enwere ndị be anyị na-alụkwa ndị Kenya pịawa ha azụ. Ahụna m onye Kenya mere na Germany. The man nwụrụ ụlọ ọwụ onye Nigeria beti the Kenya woman asị ya madam can't you na ọ chọrọ ka nwoke a pụọ ya sị mba na ọ chọghị ka ọ pụọ ya sị na ọ ga-aga rentụrụ ụlọ ya eburu ibu ya. Kenya woman ebukuru ibu ya gaa rentụrụ ụlọ ajọ ya sị mba na ọ chọọ ya sị na ụlọ awụhụ ego ya na ha na dịma nwezie problem ọ ya narazie ya ụlọ ọzi ka o mewezie ihe ndị ọcha. Ị ma na nwaanyị agaga rentụ ụlọ gaga rentụ 2 bedroom flat ugbu a na the woman azụ ọlụ ụlọ ke ya ọ zọlụ wite ego ke ya. Ị ga-abịa nwoke achụpụ gị na nwoke enwezie problem nwanne were ego gakwa ị na-arụ ọrụ ga rentị your house. Ọ wụzi gị na nwoke nwee problem gị na-akọrọ ya ụlọ ọ zụrụ. Otu anyị isi na-akọrọ ya ụlọ ahụ ka ala na-echekwa ndị Igbo ga-esi na-akọrọ gị ike. Ala na-echekwa ndị ụmụ Igbo hens ụlọ ha ọwụ ụlọ nwoke gị wuru nwoke nwaanyị zụrụ ụlọ na Amerịka gị wuru nwoke Igbo gị na nwaanyị enwe problem gị tire ya tụsa gbuo ya ka ị nakọrọ ya ibu ya. Otu ahụ ka ụmụ agbara nọ n'ala Igbo ga-esi nakọrọ gị glory gị because ihe emere nwoke ka a ga-eme nwaanyị. Achọrọ m ka ndị mmadụ kwụsị ihe ọjọọ a na-eme. Ihe ọjọọ ụfọdụ ụmụnna anyị na-eme n'obodo oyibo ọ dị terrible. Arụ na mpụ ha na-eme ọ dị terrible. Ele otu nwoke ga-esi tacha afụfụ gbaa desert gbaa aeroplane daa n'obodo oyibo taa afụfụ nọ during cold time winta niile nọ n'obodo oyibo asụọ ya n'ahụ ya agba mbọ zuo ụlọ lụzie gị nwa ya aga na Naijiria mere gị akwụkwọ enwere ndị ka nwoke ta ga-atacha ahụ nweta akwụkwọ mere nwaanyị ego nwaanyị ji nwee paspọtụ ọha nwanyere nwaanyị ego nwaanyị ji gbaa flight ọha nwanyere nwaanyị abịazi obodo oyibo oke gị na dịma na-enwe problem yes emere m agree ụfọdụ ụmụ nwoke nwere agwa ọjọọ my sister in order to show you are a good person ga rent ya n'ụlọ hapụ n'ụlọ nwoke ụlọ ahụ ị na-achụpụ ya ọ gị nwa n'ụlọ ọwọpụna nne gị nwe ụlọ ahụ nkịta ịkparachakwa gị anya e nwere ihe a ga-ekwu otu a ya agụ anya mmiri why are we so wicked gị chụpụ nwoke mmadụ chụpụ ya gị bishiri n'ụlọ nwoke mmadụ rụrụ what kind of wickedness is this?
It's true. Chukwumerije biko ihe m na-ekwu ama m onye ọbụla wụ but I took everybody like my sister biko na ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo anyị ịma na anyị nwere ezigbote aha before wee mana ugbuazi ka esi ekwu maka ụmụ nwaanyị Igbo ọ na-eme ihere. Let us take that our dignity back. Let us take this our dignity back. As the kingdom of God suffered violence and violence is taken by force. We can take it back. Retrain ourselves. Go nwaanyị natina ka m gwa ya eziokwu elujie buru akpa gị pụọ rentụrụ ụlọ hapụrụ ya ụlọ ahụ oge egbu gị
sign one of premium ụmụ nwoke sign one of premium ihe a na-akpọ ya wụ
akwụchala. Thank you.
Sorry my sister ọ bụ iwe ka m ji anaga gị okwu n'ọnụ adị m very angry.
No, it's okay. Ihe my point,
iwe ihe na-ewe m iwe anụma na-emegide ndị mmadụ anụmala ike ebe a na-emegidesi ndị mmadụ agwa ọjọọ ihe ọjọọ ụkwụ ọchụchọ
Chimerije nwere onwe m chiri ikwu ụnụ n'anya na na-akpọ stereotype ụmụ nwoke adịghị eji ike ekwu ihe a na-eme ha n'ime ụlọ pụta ịma anyị nwa ụmụ nwaanyị anyị kwuo ebelive anyị mana ka m gwa gị eziokwu ụmụ nwoke na-ata ahụhụ ụmụ nwoke na-ata ibe na ndị Amerịka anyị nọ n'ime ugbo ha echenjiwule law because of ahụhụ some people apụtara na-ozi advocate for ụmụ nwoke so ha na-echenji law some certain laws ụmụ nwoke niile enwere ndị dị mean mana majority of ụmụ nwoke ha na-ata ahụhụ ihe a na-eme ha anaghị ekwupụtali because ha kwuo asọwụ na nwoke asị men don't cry. Why won't men cry? Obi gbawa ya anwụọ ebe ọ na-edi ka ọ ghara ibepụta anya mmiri asị men don't cry. I don't support that language. Men don't cry.
And another thing m ga-agwa ụmụ nwoke anyị biko nụ enwere ihe m chọrọ ị na-agwa ụmụ nwoke ya wuru na ebe ị findịrị loyalty wụ a single mother ya wuru na because achọpụtara m na ka ikpeazụ a enwere so many single mother ịgwa gị eziokwu ọwụ na first marriage ha wụ saint but enwere so many single mother on a low key ha realize go their mistake. My sister, I'm talking out of experience. Ya wuru na ihu a responsible single mother nwanne lụọ ya than ị ga take a risk ga lụọ a single girl bu bunch of red flag na-akpagharị enwekwara good single girl. But let me tell you the truth, my brother. It is high time anyị nwanne ụmụ nwoke ga-ebido reconsider our option. We have to create more option. Ịghọtago ihu a responsible single mother dị willing to be a wife. Bye my sister. Ihu a responsible single mother dị ready inye gị loyalty rubere gị isi nye gị ugwu nwanne gị lụọ ya. After all, most of all these single mother ọkwa ụmụ nwoke ụmụ ha mụkwara amụụ ndị Igbo ọkwa Ikechukwu na Nkechi. So enwere ike gị lụọ ya gị mụtazie Chidimma na Adaugo ọchụ ụmụ Ikechukwu, Nkechi, Chidimma, Adaugo, Mr. Humphrey na Austin ihe niile awụcha ndị Igbo. So ihu a responsible single mother nwanne gị a responsible one ọkwa ndị ka ọjọọ ya. Ihu responsible single mother nwanne gị lụọ ya ji ndụ gị mere ihe anyị niile nọ na bọs anyị agapụ anụrụkwe ihe anyị nwekwara n'ụwa ha yes anyị nụkarịa anyị anọ 110 years onye ọbụla efe aka ihe ya kwa na anyị ga-anụrụ ịghọtago. So enwekwe mọchị nọ n'ụwa. So and after all most of all these single mother will have the fertile, they can born, they are ready to give you another child. Why can't you consider them and marry them? Because some of ụmụazị apịawagazi azụ na ozi ndị single girl if single gị enye gị stubborn, nwanne gị swap otu single mother dị ready inye gị respect. Ka ihe na-emede anyị ihe niile ọwụ ofu ikpu, ọwụ ofu ikpu. Mr. Austin, respond to me, ọwụ ofu ikpu. Ọwụ ofu ikpu ahụ enwere ke wu gold na bronze, ọwụ ofu ikpu.
Chukwumelije.
Nwaanyị nwụdị nwaanyị for goodness sake. As far the most important thing nwoke chọrọ na nwaanyị wụ nwaanyị ga-erubere ya isi nye ya peace.
Yeah.
Whether we like hapụkwa njakịrị, ihe nwoke chọrọ wụ nwaanyị ga-enye ya peace. Ama na mgbe ụfọdụ ụmụazị ahụ single mother na-enwe ha na-atọ ọnụzi at last wuzie a threat to the man lụziri mma ha. Sometimes I know. But even a single mother they responsible or one day the toxic feminism because I so many of them debited. So many of them they a lot of single mother they very, very responsible. Ha anabata ya in a good faith. Or one day ka will have with their past trauma, na platform to platform. So even a responsible single mother one gay lawyer jindo gemera ihe ya na some of them are very clean women gay law ha wuzuike if they can respect you because some of all this achọghị ndị nna anụ na ịgara Nigeria kpọta nwaanyị apịawa gị azụ chọpụ gị n'ụlọ tọọ na ọ ga-ewuruzie slave nwaanyị awuruzie landlady always bad thing.
Yes.
Enough of all these things. After all mmadụ na-alụcha ha si ndebe anyị na-alụ nwaanyị bini single mother of 3 lụọ ya dịkwa happy. So anyị lụzi ụfọdụ ụmụnne anyị mmadụ ọ ga-anwụ after all ihe anyị mege na social media enwere onye ha na nwaanyị bi n'ụlọ. Na anyị bịakwa ahịa ka anyị na-ekwu n'eziokwu na TikTok biko nụ oke ọnụ bulie agwa elu gwa anyị okwu biko.
Chukwumelije.
Oke ọnụ tinye anyị ọnụ biko. Iwe wege m taa biko kwuo okwu ụka ọnụ biko watu otu isi m ga-agba gị ekwule hia abịakwala hia abịakwuo okwu single mother number 1 number 2 abịakwala hia abịakwuo okwu ndị chọọchị ndị Christianity. So ihe ọzọ ị ga-ekwukwuo ya bete ịhụnanya single mother zekwe ya ekwukwele ya ihe ndị chọọchị ndị ụka pastọ nke a mere nke a wọpụkwa ya biko so kwuwezie ihe ọzọ ị chịrị ikwu.
Na kile dem restrictions single mother ikukwuru okwu isi kama single mother
ọnụ mba achọm because ịmaghị otu esi eji okwu m kwuru ya ekwu m negative things about them ekwuru m ya balance ya betike gị nwa ma otu isi ekwu nke gị biko mee ya just mee ya skip mba oke ọnụ skip o ya achọm ka ị bịa mee mmadụ achọm m nụrụ a na-enwe m meseji ihe m ga-anụ tọnda gbagbukwe gị ụkwụ na-egbukwe gị nkịtara achọm ị na-enweta those message ịma ihe m na-efe esi na my inbox biko just skip o ya o.
Na Chukwumelije ka eke shimara topic a ka ji ba sị mmemme ga-atak
mba ị maghị ụdịrị atak m na-efesi enwere onye ka edugidere m ikwu ihe ime ụra last night ihu ikwu this girl dugem m bọs and ha na-abịacha with fake account.
Okay, Chukwu nsogbu adịrị ọ dị ireduzigo my point njide abịa adị ama ụmụnne biko ọmụ ka a na-akpọ ka ọ n'ike bụ ọ na-ghọtago onye m na tresom ofu onye nwaanyị kpọrọ ọnụ masị mana ha fụrụ m n'anya ọmụaka na-akpa akụ dị n'obi ife dị mmadụ aka ebe ọ na-adị anya mmiri na-agba ndị iro chi nwatakwa akụ na ogidi ikuku ọma ile m anya banyere ịfụ na mụ amara mma nwoke aha m na Titus dị na kịta na-awụ nke emere ju oyi ime kwuru m ofu bido ndị mmadụ si weta oke ọnụ ka egbuo ọ nke emere bụ oji ka emere ju oyi mmekwa ọzọ ịghọtago ile m anya mụ nwamkpi ka nwụ a ga-ebụrụ nwaanyị mgba ga-enyi ikwere Chukwu agọzigo ka ejikwa nna ya los m ga-eju gị afọ ị ga-ata anụ abụọ yọtago mana ọ bụrụ sọsọ gị ka m ga-anụ. Chukwumelije o nwere okwu m chọrọ o nwere ihe m chọrọ ịjụ before mana check am the question mgbe ahụ ọga Ken na-ekwu okwu ọ sị na nwunye nwụrụ 2003 since that time ọ pịaba ọraba ọtụ
ịgwa gị eziokwu ada atụkwara m ọdọ ịma nọ as elder but somehow the thing achọghị m ịsọ washi bet ịgwa gị eziokwu ada tụkwara m n'ime obi m ada tụkwara m. But it's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Makwụsị side because I copy ya. Mụ na nwa ọwụghị ịchọghị iwu host na ịnide balance equation. Mụ awụ ka ọnụ si na ọwa asị. Ma ọ ha ọtọ nwere ka ọ na-agba ncha. E nwere process o ji anyụ. Yọtago. So any process of mmadụ ji.
Okay, on ịdị tụrụ aha gị Mr. Raw. Ị na-ekwu that na ma ọ lụghụ nwaanyị enwere pattern or process o ji anyụ.
I will press o ji anyụ. Ị ga you must know. One you must know.
100%.
100% you must know one day.
Austin onidihụ DSTV n'ụlọ ya. Platform ezugoro ya. Ọ chịgbuola onwe. Oke ọnụ ga igbuole m ya.
Ọ ya ka m chọrọ ikwu. Ọ ebe a ka m chọrọ ikwu. Ọtago ka number 1. Then number 2 wu m chọrọ ikwu that na nwanne m nwoke ma nwanne m nwaanyị. Ịbụrụ ọya ụka ọnụ gị ma m ntị ịbụrụ ọya ụka ọnụ. Your obligation awụrụ ka ị bịa nye m advice against my family. Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ. Ma family m ọ na-egbu m egbu m ọ naghị egbu m egbu ha ka ha gbuo m. Enye m na-agwa gị abịakwana ka ị bịa sị m onye na-awụ ezigbote mmadụ ka inye m advice against my family. Ụta mụ akwụkwọ n'ike gwa nọkọta na mụ ahụ dị ọkpara. Tomorrow bịa sị m na nna m na-egbu m mpa m na-egbu m na hapụ ndị ka ha gbuo m. In fact nwanne m nwaanyị nwanne family nye m poison I will gladly eat that poison die mara na ha gburu m dana nwaanyị bịa gere gị ntị tomorrow ọ bụrụ na ị na-atụ asị. Ịghọtago ka ị bịa tipere family m taga ahụ wee bi udo. Maka onwe ndị sị gị family na-pressurize gị nwanne ịkpata ego n'ụwa ma family gị erighị ya ka udu gị kpataziri ọka mma na enwere anwụ na mụ nwoke ọrụ ike ego na akpatakwa ego family m na-agaghị eri. Ịghọtago so abịa na enye m advice ịfụrụ nwunye na-alụ m alụ ịfụ nwunye m sef ebe ọ na-ata chukwu mere ije agwala m ya bikọs ịgwa m ya gị na onwe gị gwara m ya gwa ka m ga-eburu n'isi. Ịghọtago ego agwara m ya gwa ka m ga-efesi hafụ nwunye m chukwu mere ije na-ata ya ata ya datị mere m ji wuru mugu chukwu mere ije na-ata nwunye m ụgwọ ọrụ ya ka m na-anara ịfụkwana m ebe m na-ata nwunye m nna-ata ọyị nwaanyị mmadụ ma nta nwunye mmadụ ị ga-akọrọ nwunye m ihe ọbụla gị wetara bịa gị akọba gbasa ha ma gbasa mụọ. Ịghọtago m na-enye nwunye m aka na-enye famili nwunye m aka na-enye famili ndị ọgọ m aka mgbe m nụrụ nwaanyị ọgụgo my family. Ịghọtago aga m na-enyere ha abụọ aka ọ bụrụ na nwunye ga na-akọntrolu m mana ihe ga-ewute m nwunye m chi na-azụ ganyere ndị be ha aka ndị be ha ahụchara enyemaka n'ụwa ya tiri Chineke abịa. Ịghọtago mụawụ dị mkpadụ na ya adasị chukwu a na-afụ anya ọ bụrụ na nlọ ga-asị nwaanyị ị ga-afụ ka nsonyere ndị family m aka and I have to reciprocate that act ebe ndị family gị nọ mana ịbịa force nwaanyị bịa claim ọ nọ right i were esi n'azụ m gaa mee ya echi ahụ m matara dade m matara ịsaida na ịgwara m na ọgụnwa na-alụ m ọgụnwa na-alụ m dade hem gere gị ntị mana dade m matara so ka ọ na-ike egwu ọnụ enyemaka ọbụla agaghị nye family gị akwụsịgo. In fact ọnwa ọrụ ị na-arụ mgbe ahụ ma akwụsị gị dị ọrụ ọ bụ mepere gị business I have to stop you. Ị ga-akwụsịgodo ọrụ ahụ pure housewife and housewife ị ga-awụ sef ị ga-emechi ị ga-eji ọnụ gị kpere emere because mụ na nwa na-epiti mmadụ don't pity me emere m ebere mụ ama mmere gị. Ịghọtago mmadụ na-akpata ịkpata nke ọbụla ịkpatara ahụhụ dị ya na ya ọmata. Ịghọtago so mgbe ọ ga-asị nwaanyị ị na-abịakwute ụka ọnụ ikwesị m udo ka mmadụ ụka ọnụ wụ. Ịghọtago ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ka anyị kwuo okwu udo wee dị na famili ya weta ya nwaanyị weta ya ọ dị m ige na ntị ikwuo ya ụtọ ịkọnvinsi wuo m a na-eme ya. Ịghọta mana ịbịa kele mụra m na ị gara inwere ihe echiche ị gara skuul mgbe aka ị ga-ama na ihụrụ ekwensu a na-afụ anya fụ na ọmụ ekwensu a na-afụ anya fat n'ikere m nwa ekwensu ọmụ na-agbazi ekwensu wickedness. Ịghọtago ma ịbịa kele mụra m na ịma ihe mana ịbịa ugwu ahụ ọ bụrụkwa na ịmụgo mana ihe ọbụla ka ọnụ kwuru na-aza m sa na-enyegodi m na-achọ ichi igwe m okwu.
I don't even have for me.
Yeah, the papa, oh my, you mean Lara?
Ẹ̀wọ̀n bí mo ṣe kọ́kọ́ ṣe báyìí tí mo ṣe báyìí ó kọ́kọ́ rìn mí lára rárá bí sẹ́gìrì mo sáré sọ ọ́ nígbà máa fi sórí 2 months 3 months obìnrin kan rí irọ́ o Lord of Jesus ní tí mo ṣe ìgòrí ti fẹ́ máa fọ́ mi abájọ aláwọ̀ àwọn ní bàmúná disorder bí àbàmúnúmá kí lè má pé kí lè ná mọ̀númúná disorder.
Mọ́mí princess ní kìíní àwọn lọ́lẹ̀ sọ àwọn rmn.
Ìsọgbọ́jú tí ọ̀rọ̀ lárí ní sọmọ rẹ̀.
Dé. So kọ́mẹ́sẹ̀ ìṣọ̀ yẹn ìtútọ́ tẹ̀ máa.
3-1. Maybe also also find to Mohbad because of death of Mohbad. 3-1.
No, I get motive.
Ẹ tó gbé díẹ̀, ẹ tó gbé placenta lọ. Ẹ tó bu ní ọmọ.
Let's come back.
Àti motive tí Mohbad fi kú. 3-1.
DNA is sacrosanct.
Mohbad was not even serious. You know, he just left it be until they started calling his attention at the inquest. Remember, Baba now is not saying that the issue of land is similar to the issue of placenta. But the moment she got to court and she started mentioning it is because of placenta, Baba now recollect back. And around November, Baba started demanding for the placenta for DNA. This is right.
I'm sure Uncle Mama regrets why don't she go to that area. Don't she mention about it. I'm sure she'll be regretting herself.
You see, you know what? She has regretted a lot of things. She's regretting a lot of things. You understand? But the Amabiagba, the Oloshi people that cannot display their own children, cannot display the future and the present situation of their kids and their families. We continue to support her to tell her, say, we are supporting you because they are bullying you. She's regretting a lot. Even talking to them, she's regretted it. I was on a platform where they said that I have a recording where she was cursing you. And the other one said, I have a recording of where she's cursing you too. And I sat down and look at it. Hey, wait a minute. You talk to Jobi Ajimobi. And when she was talking to you, she was cursing this person. And you're not saying, I have a recording of where she was, she said me a lot about you. You are such a bad person. I have a recording, I can show you proof. And the other one I said, wait a minute. I have also evidence, audio evidence of talking bad about you too. And I put mine on mine like this. Audio, Ashima, welcome to Egypt.
Egypt, welcome to Turkey.
Imagine.
Wallah.
This also is something that they are recording now. So they have audios of whatever they have discussed they have it recorded.
Oh God.
And look at somebody, a race of 100, you are running it times 1,000.
Yeah.
Race you salary in 1 second, you are running 1,000 seconds. Because
should I play the interview? This was one of the first interview Baba did with TVC News.
Early last year, I think.
Should I play it so that we just
refresh our memories?
So now we understand why Baba was using his native intelligence. At first, Baba will call be okay. She be pleasant and okay, you know. But later, Baba will call be wọ́n get bàbá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n ti.
Àwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó náà wọ́n di big cloud bàbá.
Wọ́n ti di bàbá.
Wọ́n ṣe bójúbójú fún bàbá.
Bio billion ayé wa o.
I saw a video today. Did I send you the video? See ẹni sọ ọkọ ẹ̀ òfin lọ́kàn balẹ̀ ọkọ ẹ̀ òfin sùn sinmi odidi adìẹ tó máa jẹ́ rèé wọn ò bí ọkọ yẹn dá. Did I send you that video, your daddy? So somebody will sit down to eat odidi adìẹ, á jókòó odidi adìẹ ní one sitting. Wọ́n jẹ́ kó o máa jẹ́ tán.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ adìẹ kéré náà.
Adìẹ kéré kẹ̀ your daddy. Ọkọ oyin máa jó odidi adìẹ tó ti fi kẹ́míkà sí.
Adìẹ ò kéré.
Kí ló fẹ́ jẹ́ fún wọn?
Wọ́n máa fi kọ̀ntró ọkùnrin náà ní gbogbo yèyí ó máa fi kọ̀ntró ọkùnrin yẹn ni.
Tó bá ti lè jẹ́ ẹ kàn máa gbọ́ Báyọ̀ lọ́ba mi fọpá tàn yẹn náà ọmọ ìdíyà. Darling.
Ṣé pátá ẹ̀ nìkan ni? Wọ́n ti ní pé ìjókòó sẹ́yìn jẹ́. Wọ́n ní ìjókòó sẹ́yìn.
No, kì í ṣe adìyẹ náà máa ń ṣe.
Yèyé ó ṣe káàkiri, ó ṣe fún àwọn ọkùnrin. Wọ́n ní yèyé ẹ̀bùn kùnú ní àwọn ọkùnrin tó máa ṣe fún àwọn ọkùnrin tó máa ń kóbìnrin lọ́ máa sábà ṣe fún.
Ìyá mi rárá ẹ ti dé o.
Mi ò ní ìdé o.
Ẹ ti dé o.
Àwọn mákẹ́tì
ti dé o.
Mákẹ́tì wọ́n ti mákẹ́tì fún wa o.
Ní sùúrù Báyọ̀, àwọn yèyé listen to me. Àwọn obìnrin kan wà, ọkàn wọn nídìí láti kó obìnrin. They just want to be controlling the man because they are such they are not submissive. They always want to be in charge.
Exactly.
So wọ́n máa pe kíní yẹn ní ewé ìjókòó jẹ́. There is a leaf they call ewé ìjókòó jẹ́.
Well, they separate husband from wife.
So they want to do it, Esma.
They want to take charge.
Mo wà ní ọlọ́ọ̀bà o. Ọlọ́run adẹ̀rẹ̀ jọ dá o. Obìnrin wíkẹ̀dì o. Kì í ṣẹ̀yìn o. Tí wọ́n sọ obìnrin wíkẹ̀dì.
Ẹni bá máa fẹ́ ọmọ mi ọkùnrin. Jésù.
Esma. Ayọ̀mídé ní. You dey hear comment. Ayọ̀mídé ní Mr. York ọmọ àgbà. Èmi grow ní Palace. Kò yẹ yín mọ́mì. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ true life story kan fún yín nílùú wa ń gbà yẹn. Ẹnìkan wá obìnrin for example kíyàn ní restaurant then kó wá employ àwọn ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ ṣẹ́rẹ́ ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ tó ń bá ń tọ́jà yẹn òun ló wá kà ọmọ ọ̀dọ̀ yẹn wá ní pé ó yẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ nìyẹn o ìjà ìmúlanu báyìí àwọn èèyàn lè máa ń pọ̀ lọ́dọ̀ woman yẹn láràárọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́kadà àṣegbẹ̀yẹlé náà jẹ as rice.
Jésù.
Lábẹ́ ọ̀run. Now, eléyìí tó fọ́nì sí mi ni pé wọ́n ní ọkọ ẹ̀ gẹ́yìn ní ọkọ woman yẹn pé woman yẹn ti kó gbogbo braid. Wọ́n ní woman yẹn ti kó gbogbo braid ní ọkọ ẹ̀ ó ti kó kúrò pé orí ọkọ ẹ̀ di empty. Esma kì í ṣe pé gidi o kì í ṣe pé gidi ìgbà ọkọ ẹ̀ mo mọ ọkọ ẹ̀ ìgbà dáfítà tí mo ti gbọ́ gidi yẹn tí bá ti wá rí máa yẹn báyìí náà wá níbẹ̀ nítorí ẹ̀.
For your body to yeye Sherry, this oral justice for Mohbad, èèyàn tí ò bá tí learn at this stage, single guys, single ladies, even those who are married, tí wọ́n bá tí learn, then I don't know what people are doing here. For all those single ladies and single guys, you people should be careful. Èèyàn tẹ́ máa fẹ́ o, èèyàn tẹ́ máa fẹ́ o. And for those who are married too, ẹ ṣọ́ra fọ́ọ̀rẹ́ o.
Tí tó bá yẹ jẹ́jẹ́ tó kò lọ tẹ́lẹ̀tì mọ́. Bàbá yìí lè fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni.
Òun nìkan ṣáà ló gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ adìyẹ yẹn, nobody kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tó gbọ́dọ̀ interfere yẹn, ó máa jẹ tán. Àti ibi tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn, ibi tó jókòó sí, ibẹ̀ ló ti máa jẹ everything. The bone, everything, the head, nothing must remain.
For nothing, just to control.
Just to control.
Kí ni ẹ fẹ́ dà fún náà?
Òun ni Kàrímọ́ sọ pé Kẹ̀rímọ́ ti kàbọ̀dì, òun ló sọ pé odidi lòun mú lọ́sí tó ti jẹ́ odidi. Ṣé ti kàbọ̀dì kan ti ṣe fún aláyé?
Àbí ṣé kò wà questionable? Orí bó ṣe máa ń ṣe. The funny part is bí Kàrímọ́ ṣe máa ń ṣe live video ẹ̀, ó máa ṣe gudugudu. Bó ṣe máa ń ṣe pẹ̀lú àwọn ọmọ níwájú kámẹ́rà, bó ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ àwọn ọmọ máa wò pé bọ̀ woman yìí lọ́kọ sílé náà, ṣé kò lọ́kọ ò lè control ẹ̀ ni? You will see that òun gan ló ń control ọkọ ẹ̀.
I thought I downloaded it. I thought I saw the video. I thought I shared the video. I thought I shared the video. The woman was saying that for ẹ̀yin tẹ́ fẹ́ gbórí ọkọ yín tẹ́ fẹ́ máa control ọkọ yín odidi ẹdìẹ in a pot with concussion.
Ṣé kìí ṣe òbí kan ló bí àwọn ọkùnrin yẹn ni? Ṣé kìí ṣe òbí kan ló bí o?
nǹkan tá a ṣe máa gbàdúrà fún àwọn ọmọkùnrin wa nìyẹn yìí.
Ṣé ó bí kankan ló bí wọn ni? Ṣé wọn fẹ́ kó bí wọn jèrè wọn ni?
Let me remind you of something, right? Ní Baba said that tí àwọn bá ti bá Mohbad, tí Mohbad bá ti pè àwọn tó bá ti bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí, ipe the next thing Mohbad máa pè àwọn pé ọ̀rọ̀ táwọn sọ yẹn ó ti ṣìyà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Pé kó máa mọ̀ rí.
Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí wọ́n remote control bọ̀bọ̀ yẹn bàjẹ́ báyìí.
Ẹ ti gẹ̀ẹ́tẹ̀ yèyé.
Ọlọ́mọ ìkú rẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa o.
Àmín.
Àtàwọn ọmọ wa kó lóun má jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀.
Àmín.
Ọkùnrin bàbá ló mú ọmọ ṣe àpé normal máa ní pé wọ́n máa ní kó lé obìnrin yẹn tí kó lé obìnrin yẹn kúrò ní ẹ̀mọ̀ normal kì í ṣe turn out of the house. Bàbá mú ọmọ wọn mú Mohbad kúrò níbi tí girl yẹn wà wọ́n mú kúrò níbẹ̀. Bàbá mú Mohbad mi mọ̀ bí everybody mọ story bàbá mú Mohbad báyìí wọ́n gidi ẹ̀.
Sọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Àwọn àti blessing náà lọ mú Mohbad báyìí wọ́n kó ẹrù ẹ̀ wọ́n mú Mohbad báyìí wọ́n gidi ẹ̀.
Wọ́n náà lọ fi pamọ́ sí kan or something.
Yes.
Lagos, Ogun State. Wọ́n gidi bàbá Mohbad báyìí wọ́n gidi ẹ̀ báyìí.
Wọ́n bá tó padà.
2022 nígbà tí mo bá ṣì wà ní 22 years old or 24 years old ló wà gbà yẹn nígbà yẹn ọmọ yìí look at the age Mohbad was 24 she was 22 at that time. Imagine kí bàbá lọ mú ọmọ 24 kúrò nílé ọmọ 22. Kẹwo level of evil, level of wickedness, level of oppression tí kẹ́hìn ti ní as at 2022. No, Emma Kofeka can take a picture any. You see why the video is very, very important. Is this video we put the character of that girl in check. Video here. That let me tell you something. The video will tell us who that girl is. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn ọdún tá a ṣe ń gbọ́ mọ kúrú owó tó pé bàbá Mohbad ẹmọ kúrú we just need that video to complement the audios. So people will tell us to forget too much. The video will help us to remind us of when she was saying, don't give that guy relevancy. Because whenever he says, would favor my husband tomorrow, the video will remind us. So whenever she's speaking, anywhere, you'll be using this video and those audio to put her in check.
Tabatun wò náà in the real context. Nǹkan tó máa ń jẹ́ kí àwọn ọkùnrin wa ní nǹkan tètè kú ni. Ogun ti pọ̀ jù. Yeah, I tell you, instead of tẹ̀fí máa ṣe gbogbo eléyìí, why don't you just separate? Tẹ̀fẹ́ bà iye ọmọ ọlọ́mọ jẹ́. Why do you do that? People should just go their separate ways.
Yeah. Anytime tẹ́ bá ti rí àwọn tó ti ń ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, it is because they have seen prospects.
Thank you, Bayo. Jefferson, sorry to interject you. You see, Wunmi, ọmọ street ni. Do you know why I said that? Ọmọ street. Ìjọba kò jẹ́ pé bí a mọ̀ sí ẹ̀ ibi tó ti rìn gbèrègbèrè. Wọ́n máa sọ ọ̀tọ̀ pé àwọn arógo ṣáájú ológo. Wunmi ti rí ògo, ó ti rí ògo Mohbad. Ó ti rí wípé this boy nǹkan tó ṣe lọ ó ìdánwò yẹn mọ́lẹ̀ ìwé. Àníṣe ẹ máa gbàdúrà fún àwọn ọmọkùnrin wa àwọn èèyàn tó máa fẹ́.
Another way she can be part of it is that, and that's why I said one time, Gracie was not happy when I said, Money Mohbad gan kan ju àlọ́ ti dé ọ̀dọ̀ girl yẹn. Because as at in-house levels, ó yẹ kó jẹ́ nǹkan àlejò ni. You are muted. Your dad, you are muted.
Bayo ní sùúrù jẹ́ sọ kíní kan fún ẹ. Sórí ẹ, ó lè jẹ́ nǹkan àlejò. Nǹkan kan ló wà fún àlejò tó jẹ́ pé kálejò yẹn máa dé ta tó máa sọ pé mo ti jẹ ráìsì rí náà. Ráìsì ṣe yàtọ̀ bí eléèlé ni. Ráìsì dùn yàtọ̀ o. Ó dàbí pé màá tún lọ jẹ́ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí.
Let's come back, please.
In that process,